Stacks of silver, stacks of gold, digging treasure, riches untold. International stacker, here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow, stack it high, watch it grow, giveaways for all, feel the thrill, international stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find, treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore, stack up wealth and so much more. Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight, silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance, treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow, stack it high, watch it grow, giveaways for all, feel the thrill, international stacking that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest, riches await, you're the best international stacker, stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest, riches await, you're the best international stacker, stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill. Crabs are grooving.
Who's ready?
Ocean waves where dreams collide.
Who's ready?
Stars are up, the beat we chase, treasure gleaming. Gold
Smash that like button if you're ready.
claws up,
Come on, let's go. Who's ready to see silver fly?
join the party night.
Who is ready to see silver fly? Let's go.
And silver is the key. Crustacean nation.
Crab dance, drop those crabs in chat. Smash that like button if you're ready. Here we go. 2 minutes.
Gold and silver, who wants it all?
Who wants it all?
Are you ready for the mega gall?
Mega God.
Crew, the Shell Brigade. Treasures found,
Come on.
music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay.
Don't delay. Don't delay.
Join the party night and day.
Come on. Let's go.
And silver is the key.
The key.
Nation, dance with me.
1 minute left. Smash that like button. The show is starting in 1 minute.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew.
We're the crew.
Shell Brigade. Treasures found, the music's played.
Who's ready? Who's ready? Smash that like.
Get your claws up.
Drop a crab in the chat if you're ready.
National stacker.
Here we go.
He's our guide.
Let's go.
Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Get him up. Get him up. Come on.
Dance with me.
Let's go.
Dance with me.
Who's ready?
Dance with me. Dance with me.
Kicking it old school.
One stacker
Stacker.
on a journey.
Emergency alert edition.
Find silver.
Here we go.
International stacker.
Ladies and gentlemen, the name is International Stacker, and we are coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I am literally closer to Cuba than a Walmart. I travel the world making videos of gold and silver adventures with y'all by my side and helping to drive the adventure. Over 1,500 videos, 40,400 subscribers. Guys, we're only 50 subscribers away from 40,500. I think we could do that on the stream, so smash that like button if you are ready. Now, we're going to take a quick poll. The after hours market opens up in exactly 7 minutes and 50 seconds. 7 minutes and 50 seconds. And we'll see these charts start to move. We'll see futures start to move. Put a 1 in chat if you think silver is going to keep on ripping and no dipping, just ripping. Put a 2 in chat if you think that silver is going to pull back. Guys, we got 170 people in this live stream, but only 54 likes. Please smash the like button. It helps the channel grow immensely. But also, you're like the gold and silver Paul Revere, right in the streets of the internet, warning of the big bankers coming and helping other people to prepare. So hit that like button, as we got a lot of people saying 1s. We've got a couple 2s, but guys, gals, something nefarious is going on. I want to direct your attention to a tweet I just retweeted. And again, the market will start moving in about 7 minutes, and we're going to be glued. We're going to be glued to that. Let me try to find this. The COMEX moved a bunch of... Here it is. Here it is. Breaking news, JP Morgan moved its entire gold trading desk from New York to Singapore last Thursday. What is going on? Something big might be happening. You guys know how the Asian markets are always helping us, right? We're always seeing crazy run-ups in the Asian markets, and JP Morgan moved their entire trading desk to Singapore. Are they going to try to slam from the Asian markets? Are they going to try to do it? We'll find out here shortly, as we are just 7 minutes away from the market opening. Thank you so much, Salamander, for subscribing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We've got 75 likes, 200 people watching, as the market is just 7 minutes away from opening. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, for a wild, wild ride. Hold 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. And a package just came to my door, but it is okay. It is probably silver. Put a 1 in chat if you bought silver over Black Friday. I bought 10 ounces of silver. Put a 1 in chat if you bought some silver. Put a 2 in chat if you're still holding, if you did not buy some silver. Hey, we've got a YouTube legend in the chat, Talking Bullion. He does have a channel. I've met him in real life. I think he got the. Did I send you a crab coin Talking Bullion? I should have. You got to meet me in Wild to get one. And then I met Talking Bullion at a coin show in Michigan. Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 6 minutes away from this market opening. 6 minutes. Actually, it's 5 minutes, and we're going to see everything start to move. We're going to be watching the futures. Big shout out to Sublime Mad Dog, longtime channel subscriber, channel member. I retweeted him saying, let's go with the crabs. Follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, at INTL Stacker, International When It Fit. I put out stuff all the time like this, saying I'm going live in 30 minutes. Peter Schiff is saying, regarding Thanksgiving week's market gains, the article notes the Dow Jones Industrial Average jumped more than 3%. The S&P 500 surged nearly 4%. The NASDAQ leapt more than 4%. Yet no mention of gold jumping 3.6% or silver soaring 13%. And Correlation Economics is saying Peter Schiff targets for the next year gold price of 5,000, silver price of 100. Ladies and gentlemen, at the beginning of the year, my target for silver was $50 an ounce. My target for gold was 4,000. People made fun of me. They laughed. They called me names. They said I was ridiculous. They said I was a silver pumper. And ladies and gentlemen, I was not bullish enough. So my new targets, and I'm not a financial advisor, is $75 silver by the end of the year, $5,000 gold by the end of the year. And if we can do that, I'm expecting to see triple-digit silver, $100 silver in the first quarter of 2026. I've got on my channel, if you go to my channel and click videos and latest, watch this right here. It makes the case for $100 silver, and it has all the receipts and why this is different than 1980 and 2011. Ladies and gentlemen, 4 minutes left until the market opens. Smash like and get ready. It's going to be crazy. They're going to attack it. JP Morgan Chase moved their entire trading team to Singapore on Thursday. Something tells me that this is going to be an epic fight here at the open, but we are not scared. We are prepared because we are gold and silver stackers, hoarders, collectors, and numisticists holding the line against the big bankers. And the Kobayashi letter saying China's gold and silver are skyrocketing. Silver inventories and warehouse linked to the Shanghai Futures Exchange are down 715 tons, the lowest since July 2016. Silver stockpiles have declined 86% since the 2020 pandemic peak. Meanwhile, gold investors in the Shanghai Gold Exchange are down 83% since the 2020 to 519 tons, the lowest since December of 2015. You guys, go to my channel, click latest. This video I just dropped here. Silver shortage 2025, physical gone forever, premiums to explode. This is talking about what's going on around the world in the bullion banks vaults. It affects you. It affects you. I'm not talking about silver shortages at coin shops. I'm talking about the registered legit silver that has to be to a specific specification to be traded on the market with the COMEX, LBMA, Shanghai Gold Exchange, etc. Peter Spina is saying, will silver spot positions become the black swan event for the financial system? You guys, I think tonight's going to be explosive. Tomorrow could be the trigger of the biggest short squeeze you have ever seen in your lives, the true black swan. As the markets open in just 2 minutes, 2-minute warning, 2-minute warning. Are you guys ready for this? Let's take one more vote. We've got 300 people in chat, but only 100 likes, guys. Please smash the like button. Helps the channel, helps it get out, but we got to wake more people up. Put a 1 in chat if you think silver's going to go up in rage on open. Put a 2 in chat if you think that new JP Morgan trading team that got moved to Singapore is going to successfully smash it down. Now, remember this, guys. This is after hours. After hours trading, it's a lot thinner than during the day, so big, massive moves can happen a lot easier in these after-hour scenarios. And we're just a minute and 20 seconds away to see what happens. If it goes up tonight, on market open tomorrow, I think we're going to see a massive, massive short squeeze, more than we've been seeing the last month or so. It's going to be bloody. Big bankers are going to be crying. I'm going to be sipping coffee in the morning. I'm going to be covering the official trading day market open at 08:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be wild. It's going to be wild. I'm going to be drinking coffee. Big bankers are going to be probably drinking whiskey straight. As guys and gals, we are only 45 seconds away from market open. We're going to see everything start to move. Whew. Buckle up. Put on your seatbelts and smash that like button. Less than a minute. Here we go. Just 47 more subscribers to 40,500 subscribers. I think we could do it on the stream. And shout out to Louis Faro for subscribing. We've got nearly 400 people on and 20 seconds to go for market open. Get ready. Get ready. 15 seconds. I'm going to count it down from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And trading is going. Trading is going. Let's check the futures. Let's see what's happening. Nothing's happening yet. Okay. Okay, let's see what's happening. I'm not seeing any movement yet. I'm not seeing any movement yet. Did the COMEX shut down again? Let's see what happens here. Shout out to Jeff Tiger Thomas, who's been a channel member for 29 months, saying silver to the moon. Thank you so much, Jeff Tiger Thomas, for that support. Guys, when you're a channel member, not only do you get access to the War Room, members only live stream, I do frequently. Not only do you get a bunch of custom emojis, but you get all access to a lot of different things. It's a lot of fun, and it supports the channel, helps me do what I do. I recently gave away over 70 ounces of silver. If you missed it, sorry. I'll do it again in the not too distant future, so make sure you subscribe. And let's see what's going on here. I'm not seeing any movement. I'm seeing zero movement. What is going on? Is the COMEX playing games? Let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. We should start to see the market move. I'm not sure why it's not. Big shout out. Thank you, Sean, for subscribing. Thank you, King Solomon, for subscribing. You know, you guys know that King Solomon had a ton of gold. Just saying, King Solomon had a lot of gold. Woo! Get ready, get ready, get ready. Platinum is spiking, but I'm not seeing silver move at all. What is going on with my chart? What is going on with my chart? Wait, is it move? It's not moving. Futures is not moving. Gold's moving. Gold is moving. Huge spike on gold. I am not seeing the silver market move at all. Hold up. Hold up. What is going on here? Oh, wow. Here we go. Here we go. 56.92 on silver. 56.92. We're about to break 57. Ladies and gentlemen, we're off to a wild ride here. Right at the start, we are almost $57 a troy ounce. Okay, let me mark some key points here. We'll mark 57.50. We're gonna mark 58. Let's see what we can do here. Ladies and gentlemen, gold is spiking hard. Silver is spiking hard. Buckle up. It's about to get explosive. It is about to get explosive, ladies and gentlemen. We got green mega candles on silver and gold. Futures is not... Why is the silver futures? Gold futures. The silver market is broken. Futures is not working, but I found a chart that's working. As we go, we're currently 56.85, but we're going to spike back over 57. Let's throw in Kitco here. Let's throw in Kitco here. Get out of here. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. This is not up to date. We're moving higher on silver and gold, ladies and gentlemen. Smash that like button and get ready. We've got over 500 people on the stream. Hit that like button as we continue to see gold and silver move higher. But guys, stuff is going on. We've got Yasha Dugar saying silver is just the beginning, not the end of the journey. After 45 years, 3 filled tips, finally, the monthly and quarterly breakout has happened. People now feel silver is overbought. I feel it is even more strength. And here's what, guys, I just bought 10 ounces of silver today on a Black Friday deal. Let me know in the chat. Did you buy silver? Are you still buying? I am. I just bought. And what he's saying here is 45-year breakout in price and RSI happens once in a lifetime. That 2 on all the higher time frames except yearly. Many people are skeptical because of the fast rally. This is perfect recipe for a faster rally. The short squeeze is the icing on the cake. And ladies and gentlemen, if silver keeps raging tonight and gold, we're going to see such a crazy day tomorrow. We're going to see a crazy day when all these banks have to start covering their shorts. He's also saying an asset class like silver giving such a breakout is a rare instance and a great backbone to a portfolio in current tough times. Oh man, ladies and gentlemen, as Trend Spider saying silver just smashed a 15-year ceiling. We are now in a price discovery mode. Look at this. Look at that. And ladies and gentlemen, why are we stacking physical gold and silver? Because all through history, this stuff you're seeing right here, paper, fiat currency, has always gone to zero. As I whip out my Vietnam dong, all that has gone to zero. It got so bad in Zimbabwe, they went to $1 million notes. Then they went to $1 billion notes. Then they literally went to $1 trillion notes. And that's why we're into physical gold and silver. And ladies and gentlemen, I did add 10 ounces today. As Silver Gold News is saying, Goldman Sachs' new poll, almost 70% of global institutional investors expect gold prices to post additional gains next year. 35% or 36 think gold's going to top 5,000 by the end of 2020. You guys, not a financial advisor. My target's by the end of 2025 for 5,000 gold, not 26. Another third expected precious metals to trade between 45 and 5. They're all wrong. Nostra House of Gold saying waiting to check the silver price. And Wiz 88999 saying over 12.5 million ounces of silver just vanished off COMEX books in one day. Guys, they're not going to go down without fighting. Even a dying animal is dangerous. They're not going to go down without a fight. Not transferred, not adjusted, just straight up gone from eligible. JP Morgan alone moved 13.4 million ounces like it was rearranging couch cushions. CNT lost 897,000. As Gold and Silver HQ saying, own a single 100-ounce bar. You've already outstacked 75% of all humans. As silver is moving sideways, we did break 57. Our current all-time high is 57.01, it looks like. Moving sideways. And gold's moving sideways as well. They're both on red candles. Let's see what's going to happen here as the gold to silver ratio is crashing to 74.6 to 1. Ladies and gentlemen, what a wild time to be alive. 56.58 on Kitco is what Great Scott is saying. Good to see you, Great Scott. We're at 56.62 right now. 56.62. Opened on a huge green candle. And remember, after hours market like this is very thin. It doesn't take big moves to move it one way or another. And JP Morgan Chase just moved an entire trading team to Singapore. So keep that in the back of your mind as we continue to follow this market open here with 600 people on, but only 180 likes. Guys, please smash the like button. It helps me a lot. If you've just found my channel, please subscribe. I've got over 1,500 videos traveling the world on gold and silver adventures. We've ridden camels together. We've got attacked by pirates together. I just got back from Poland to the Czech Republic, so make sure you do. As Peter Spinney saying, live view of remaining silver inventories. The final scene is COMEX versus the LBMA. That's funny. And Make Gold Great is saying the first rule of politics is you do not talk about silver. The second rule of politics is you do not talk about silver. Well, Wall Street Gold is saying COMEX is rumored to hold 5,000 tons, while 12,400 tons are reportedly standing for delivery by December 2025. So COMEX only has 5,000 physical tons. 12,400 are being demanded for delivery. Not even half. What are they going to do? Exchanges say the metal is there. Conviction says when. That's crazy. I don't believe it. Do you? Do you believe that? I don't believe that. Gold Silver HQ saying the gold to silver ratio finally broke down. Lowest since May 2024. How far will it fall? 100-year average is 50 to 1. 2011 low was 30 to 1. 1980 was 17 to 1. As we continue to move sideways on silver and sideways on gold, both on red candles. But I'm not scared. I am prepared. And how am I prepared? Stacking the physical stuff with over 600 people on the live stream. Welcome, everybody. Guys, with the price action of silver and gold, there's a lot of fakes. Link in the description. Get this. It comes with the free phone app. Cheaper than an ounce of silver. It can protect you from fakes. Hear that? That's the sound of silver and real money. Again, it comes with an app. Find fakes in your stack before you buy them so they don't end up in your stack, right? Right. Got to protect yourselves. Okay, guys, we got 2 big red candles on gold and silver. Is the smash game happening? Let's see what happens here. We have been open for about 9 minutes of trading. 9 minutes of trading. And is Slammy McSlammerson fighting back? He is, but we are holding the line. Gold and silver stackers, hoarders, numisticists. One thing, look, gold and silver cannot always go up. But the one thing that does always go up, unfortunately, is the U.S. debt. This is the hidden tax of inflation, and this is why we stack physical gold and silver, because otherwise it is just inflated away. Every second of every day, that ticks higher. Ladies and gentlemen, the market has been open for 5 minutes. Let's see what we continue to do here as we move sideways. We did hit an all-new high of $57.01. Extremely bullish. We broke 57.1, and with gold, we were up to 42.32. As we're on a green candle for gold and silver, buckle up. It's about to be crazy. 700 people on the stream, but only 234 likes. Smash the like button if you want silver and gold to go higher. As Make Gold Great is saying, update on the gold to silver ratio. 30th November 2025, a massive drop from 1 to 104 in April to this year. Guys, the gold to silver ratio, every 1 ounce of gold is equal to this much silver. So 1 gold is 3. 1 was 9 is silver. 1 would so this is all through history. And right now we're at 1 to 75, but we're actually at 1 to 74, meaning 1 ounce of gold equals 74 ounces of silver. As we are on green candles for both gold and silver, buckle up. It's getting explosive. As Eric Young, and this is a great guy, he lives in China, so he's following that stuff closely. Breaking news, JP Morgan moved its entire gold trading desk from New York to Singapore last Thursday. What is going on? Something big might be happening. Guys, that is massive news. As Gold and Silver HQ saying for 2025, gold, 61% return. Silver, 95% return this year. Bonds, 3%. Bitcoin, -3%. Sorry, that stings. Ouch. S&P 500, 16%. Gold miners, 151%. You guys, this is why I talk about miners on my channel from time to time. I have a huge stack of gold and silver, but I play around a little bit in the miners for leverage, okay? It's not for everybody. It's risky, but I'm doing it. 1 month still to go. As Wall Street Gold is saying, CNBC slapping devil's metal headlines while silver prints new highs and miners outperform in market irony, not analysis. Yeah, CNBC said silver hit record highs in 2025. Here's why the devil's metal has further... They're calling it the devil's metal. Come on. Sublime Mad Dog in the chat right now saying, seriously, I've never heard of the devil's metal before. What the F? Ladies and gentlemen, as one of our favorite analysts is saying, Rashad, over the passing week, silver added 12.5%. Junior silver miners added 21%. Following multi-decade, 45 years to be exact, cup and handle breakout, silver has the potential to gain 70% within a matter of 2 to 3 months, if not sooner, which suggests that the silver miners could gain 100 to 120% easily. And let's go back to the charts as we are on a green candle with silver, a green candle with gold, as we recently just made an all-new high of $57.01. Woo! 700 people on the live stream, but only 276 likes. Guys, please smash that like button. Helps the channel out a lot, helps get the word out and wake more people out. And you guys, I'm sitting at 40,459 subs, only 41 more than we'll do the big show together. If we break this live, 40,500, we'll do the big show, which I think you're going to love. Literally travel the world making and buying gold and silver adventures with y'all. Members, channel members, drop Daisy in the chat. Drop Daisy in the chat. I want to show everybody Daisy. As gold and silver continue to move sideways on green candles, tomorrow's going to be explosive. I will be live streaming in the morning market, or the normal trading hours open, which is 08:30. So I'll probably be on about 8 p.m. or excuse me, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now you guys see them all driving. You see them all dropping Daisy. Now, here's why you got to subscribe and even become a channel member, really. But here's why you got to subscribe. Literally 1,500 videos around the whole world, gold and silver. And here's a clip of a live stream where you told me to ride Daisy.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. That's just some here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys.
Daisy the
Okay.
camel.
Oh, wow. Look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
Literally, live stream from the back of a camel cam. That was crazy. as the market has been open for about 15 minutes, 14 minutes and 18 seconds to be exact. So far, 2 of the candles are green, 1 is red, but JP Morgan Chase did move their whole trading team to Singapore. What's going on there? We might find out. The Great Mart is saying silver, the nearly 50-year sleeper has awakened. 48 was the breakout. The longer the sleeper, the bigger the move. $100 target is the measured rule. Sometime next year is my guess. Thanks for pursuing. And guys, look at this is a 45-year cup and handle formation and technical analysis. See, this is the cup. This is the handle. And what you do is you take the depth, so the 2 peaks, you take the depth of the cup and you transpose it here. And that's where in technical analysis, you'd expect to see it go. Crazy times. What a wild time to be alive. And Rashad saying silver's years of suppression and price manipulation finally ends. Looks like silver is getting its freedom after multiple decades. And American Coin and Currency is saying a monetary plot twist is unfolding in real time. Most people are too distracted to notice. While the world is glued to AI solves everything narrative, silver just did something that breaks the script entirely. It didn't just break out, it rewrote a 45-year ceiling. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, at INTL Stacker, International One It Fit. If you want to keep up on a lot of this data and information I put out all the time, guys, this is what I'm doing right now full time, is following the gold and silver market. Silver futures, is it going? Let's see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Silver futures is finally up, and it's at 57.42. We're going to mark 57.42. Okay, futures is currently right here, 57.42. That's our next move. Let's see if we could do it. Our highest we've gone so far is 57 and 1 cent. 57.42 is futures. Ladies and gentlemen, 44 now. Well, okay, I'll pop it 2 cents more. Hopefully these are copper cents. I'm putting up. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a time to be alive, as gold as well is moving back towards 42.32. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to Drew Howitt for subscribing. Thank you, Jeff Poor. And ladies and gentlemen, Sublime Mad Dog. It says member for 1 month, but he's been a member for a lot more. Member for 1 month, but subscribe for... Oh, he just became a member. Okay, sorry. Sublime has been a subscriber for 6 years, and he's been a member for 1 month. Happy 1 month anniversary, Sublime. And thank you so much for being a channel member. Guys, when you're a channel member, when you super chat, it helps immensely. It helps me do what I do around the world, giving back to y'all. But even if you just like a stream, like a video, leave a comment, retweet something, it helps immensely. You're literally the gold and silver Paul Revere is riding the streets of the internet every time you smash that like button. So we got 740 people on the live stream, but only 317 likes, guys. Please smash the like button. And ladies and gentlemen, we are currently at 40,483 subscribers. Only 17 more subscribers, and then we'll do the big update show. As Roadkill, who's been a member for 1 month, is saying, smash the like button. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, what a wild time to be alive. The market's been open for almost 20 minutes. So far, 2 of the 3 complete 5-minute bars are green. Let's see if this third... Okay, so this 4th bar, I think in the next 2 minutes, it's going to be green. Put a 1 in chat if you think we're going to end up with the green bar here in the next 2 minutes. Put a 2 if you think it's going to be red. As gold as well is moving sideways but starting to trend back up. Silver futures is just going hammer, 57.37. Scott, welcome Scott. Scott Dicker just became a channel member. Thank you so much. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. Try out some of those cool channel member emojis. And ladies and gentlemen, all channel members, we will be going to the war room at the end of this stream. We're going to be going for a while, but at the end we will go to the war room. As we've got 700 people on and 340 likes, guys, please smash the like button. We're only 12 subscribers away from 40,500 as we just continue to rage. Gold to silver ratio is crashing, which is good. We want to see that because that either means the price of gold is getting cheaper, which it's not, or silver is raging higher, which it is. What a wild time to be alive. As Jesse Colombo is saying, gold's breakout from the triangle pattern points to a target of 5,200 based on the measured move principle. This is part of technical analysis. Read my free... Okay, so look at this. So this is gold. Okay, descending triangle. It's in this gold. Bang. Bang. Look at that. So that's gold. Nostra House of Gold saying gold highest monthly close in history just happened. Jesse Colombo saying, and now that silver is broken out, the immediate price target is $72 based on the measured move principle. So let's see here. So there's your triangle. There's the first measured move. Here's the second one, $18 surge. Takes us to 72. Put a 1 in chat if you think we're going to beat a 72. Put by the end of the year. My target, not a financial advisor, by the end of the year is 75 silver, 5,000 gold. And if we can hit 75 silver by the end of the year, then that means I'm expecting triple-digit silver in the first 3 months. The first quarter of 2026, I think we break 100. And I have the receipts. Go to my channel, click on videos latest, watch this video right here. Shocking, $100 silver if this happens, not 1980. I give you all the receipts on why I think that, why it's going to happen. And a big shout out to everyone who predicted it. Team Green Candle won. Since open, we've been open for 20 minutes, 3 massive green candles. As we move higher, we set an all-new high of 57.01, and we're moving higher. Silver futures is at 57.12 now. Still over 57, but we're moving higher. Let's see what we can do here. And guys, why is this not like 1980 or 2011? A few quick, easy things. First off, in 1980, we were in a silver production surplus. We produced more silver than we used. Same thing in 2011. We produced more than we used. Now we are in a deficit. We have been in a silver deficit for the last 5 years. We produced about 835 million ounces of silver last year. We used about 1.2 billion. And that's been happening for the last 5 years, and it's been decreasing 1 to 3% total output. We hit peak silver production in 2016, and it's been downhill ever since then. Downhill ever since then. So that's the first thing. The second thing is our money is inflated away. The money supply, our debt, everything is just coiled. Like, that's issue number 2. And there's plenty of other issues I can't cover in that video, so make sure to go check it. And guys, we're only 47 likes away from 400 likes with 800 people watching, as silver is raging higher on a gold candle, or green candle, as well as gold. Let's see if we can reclaim this 57 mark with silver. I will be streaming in the morning. The normal market open at 0. I'll be on at 0800 or 08 a.m. 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be explosive. 8:30 is when it opens. We're in after hours until then. And guys, I'm only 2 subscribers away from 40,000 to 500. Let's see if we can get there. Smash that like button. Share the stream. Woo! Look at this. This is bullish. This is very bullish, what we're seeing right here. It's coiling. We got a nice little coil going. Ow. There we go. See what gold's doing. Gold's doing the same formation. These are 5-minute candles. Let's see what we can do here. Yes! Buckle up! As the dude is saying, the silver market traded 549 million paper ounces on CME Cooling Center. You guys, do you believe the whole Cooling Center story? Do you believe it? In the middle of the night, Thanksgiving, their data center breaks when barely anyone's trading. They halt trading of silver and gold for 10 hours. I don't believe it. But look at this, 549 million ounces. They traded 549 million ounces here, 549 million ounces here, 750 million ounces here. We only produce 835 million a year. Nearly a year's worth of silver, fake paper silver, traded in one day. And you guys, I gotta show you this. So, I went crazy. I went crazy on the COMEX. I went crazy on them. Let's see. If you go to my replies, you'll see me smacking down the COMEX. Where is it? Okay, hold up. I want to show you guys this tweet. I literally tagged the FBI in it. I said to the COMEX said, CME Group, the COMEX is in the United States. LBMA is in London, okay? CME Group said, broker EU markets are open, trading. All other CME markets remain halted due to data cooling center issued Cyrus 1. We will provide updates as soon as they're available. Here's what I said. No one believes you. Silver making run at all-time highs and after hours when the books were thin, and your best excuse is to halt the markets is a cooling issue at Cyrus 1 that no other customer at Cyrus 1 is experiencing. The same Cyrus 1 that has a state-of-the-art triple redundant cooling system. Let me guess, the data center claim will magically be fixed once all the big bankers are ready with massive shorts and a mass selling campaign. It's time for an investigation into the criminal activity and all the big banks who are in conspiracy with you. I tagged the FCC, the FBI Director Kash Patel, and I threw Doge in there. What the heck? I know it's not governmental, but hey, might as well. Thank you so much, Teza, for subscribing. And ladies and gentlemen, wow, we did it. Here comes the big show. Watch right here. It's going to change to 40,500. Here we go. Here we go. And time for the big show. Wrong one. Time for the big show. Thank you so much, everybody. My subscribers are raging just like silver is raging. We have been open for 25 minutes, and of the last 5 bars, 4 have been green. Each bar is 5 minutes. That's huge. We're coiling up to go higher. With gold of the last 5 bars, 4 have been green. Let's see what we can do here as we move higher. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you. Smash the like button. Thank you. Thank you to new and old subscribers. Of course, KTM, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got 900 people on the stream, but 411 likes. Smash the like button. Every time you hit the button, it is literally helping to push silver higher and firing missiles, fake missiles, figurative missiles, at the big bankers who are literally storming the beaches of JP Morgan Chase. Silver stackers, hoarders, numisticists, alongside our friends and brethren and sisters at Wall Street Silver, Wall Street Bets, holding the line, holding on for dear life as the national debt ticks higher. So does the spot price for silver and gold. And here we go. We're about to break 57 for the second time. Let's see if we can do it. Let me zoom in here. Okay, we're getting close. And we did it. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Make sure your safety harnesses are on. We just made an all new high again, $57.09 on silver. Gold is pushing higher as well. Get excited. We need a crab dance. Sublime Mad Dog, can you start a crab dance? This is getting insane in the membrane. I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow when all these shorts start getting called, guys. When all these shorts start getting called in the morning, it's going to be the short squeeze of the century. We've got 900 people on the stream. We've got 442 likes. Smash that like button. Thank you so much, everybody. It helps get the word out, helps wake up more people. Guys, gals. This stuff all throughout history has always gone to zero. All this paper currency used to be people's retirements. Now, literally everything you see here that's paper is worth absolutely nothing. But this stuff right here, this physical silver and gold, has literally... Here's a gold nugget for you. Has literally been money for thousands and thousands of years. And that's why we believe in it. As silver moves high, let's check the futures. Silver futures is at 57.24. So our next target is 57.24. Since we're in uncharted territory, we're just going to go off the futures. That's our next target. And look we're following this line, this projection exactly. Gold, we're following this projection exactly. Let's see what we can do here as the gold and silver ratio is breaking down. It is about to break into 73, and we are going to see it live. What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. You guys, I've had this channel for nearly 10 years. It's really 1,700 videos. Traveling the world, trying to talk about silver, spread the good news, why I believe it is going to do what it's doing now. People laughed at me. They called me names. They got their pleasure from my pain. But ladies and gentlemen, silver continues to push higher. Get excited as we've got 940 people on the live stream, 458 likes, 42 more likes to 500. I think we can get there. And guys, this is massive. The morning is going to be explosive. We are so close to 73-1 gold to silver ratio. We're going to be there in just a moment. Let me go here. Let me go here. Let's refresh this. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Wall Street Silver. Silver futures just opened and surged to 57.69. So I missed that. So let's mark 57. Stop that. Let's mark 57.69. That's going to be our next target. The highest surge. This should be the highest surge of futures right there. And since we already made this one, we're going to go ahead and change him to blue. Okay. Our next target is 57.24 for silver and 4,032.79 for gold. We can do it. Wow, 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 wow. Nostra House of Gold. Silver is busting loose. Make gold great. Host. On your 6-month view, you're still looking for that $100 to $200 range. Michael, no. It wouldn't shock me if it went way past 200. Woo! Peter Schiff, you will keep averaging your Bitcoin cost up and destroying even more value for shareholders. Eric Young is saying only the real physical metals are real. Everything else is BS. Ladies and gentlemen, did you buy silver on Black Friday? Put a 1 in chat if you bought silver. I bought 10 ounces from SD Bullion. Not a sponsorship, but I got a good deal there. I got the 5-ounce Canadian coin, first release. You guys wanted me to get it to review it on the channel, so I'm buying it. And I bought 5 silver rounds at spot price. I did that too. Thank you, Tampa Bay Tom, for subscribing. Welcome to all the new subscribers. We're at 40,540 subscribers, guys. Only 60 more, and we'll do another big show, which will be 40,600. I think we can get there. So since the market is opened, we have had 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have had 6 candles, 5 of which have been green. We're on a red candle right now, but we got 4 minutes for this to reverse. I think this is going to reverse. If you think this candle in the next 5 minutes is going to finish green, put a 2 in chat. I think it is. And then gold is pushing higher on a green candle. We'll see what happens there. Gold to silver ratio is at 74.37. Silver futures is at 57.44. Wow. So that's going to be our next target, 57.44. What a crazy, what a wild time to be alive, guys. Honestly, did you think we were going to be here? All these years we've been stacking together and traveling the world, guys. Did you think we were going to be here, or did you think it was never going to happen? Let me know in the comments. If you guys have questions for me, tag at International Stacker so it pops out bright to me. Otherwise, I won't see it. If you have any questions, I'll try to address them. Put them in chat as things are getting real quick. Octavio, 40 minutes ago, said, aside from this exciting moment for silver, let us not forget that copper appears to be on the cusp of a major breakout. Yeah, copper is. Copper is. And you guys, not only am I stacking I got some big silver bars, but also look at this bad boy. That's some copper right there. Woo! That's a big old copper bar. Ladies and gentlemen, what a wild time to be alive, as Gold and Silver HQ saying we are early. Nobody except us crazy guys and big smart money owns silver. If you own an ETF, you don't own silver anyway, but that's a different story. The Kobayashi letter saying, is silver still underpriced? Yes. Silver ETFs now reflect 0.3% of all ETF assets. Wow. The highest in 4 years, and that's nothing. That's nothing. This remains below the 0.4% seen during the 2020 pandemic high, despite the strong rally in silver prices this year. By comparison, 2011 peak with nearly 1.8% or 4 times higher than current levels. Back then, silver prices surged 180% in 8 months. Imagine if it does that right now, guys, for far exceeding the 60% increase over the last 8 months. Put differently, investor exposure of silver remains historically low. Even when the recent high price surge, we may still be early. I believe we are early, guys. I truly believe we're still early. Let me know in the chat if you think that. As Mark is saying, gold and silver trader Andrew McGuire, the end of Western gold and silver, a market in fracture. The LBMA, so remember the London British Metals Exchange, or the London Bullion Metals Association, and the COMEX, which is in the US, are losing control as liquidity flees to BRICS. These are the different countries that are banding together: Russia, Venezuela, and a whole handful of others to circumnavigate and go around the dollar, around the SWIFT system. And they're bringing gold into it. There's rumors of China with a gold-backed yuan, which can actually make it go insane there. So keep an eye on the BRICS countries. This creates a historic divergence between synthetic paper prices and the real cost of physical metal. We've reached the absolute inflection point where Western CME LBMA liquidity has permanently fractured. All the institutional guys I know have gone to BRICS facing exchanges. Wow. Read this. Read this. Make sure you're following me on X, formerly known as Twitter. I put a bunch of data on there for you guys to read and check out. The LBMA is going down in flames. No fuel, no engines, no power as the COMEX continues emergency flights overseas. You guys, go to my channel, click videos, click latest. Look at this. Emergency silver transport. I just put a video out of this on vaults emptying around the world. What it means for you, you gotta watch this video and you gotta watch this case for $100 silver video. These are two very relevant videos that will school you up on all the information on where we're at right now and why and how you can take advantage of it. You go to videos, click latest and find those. Not a financial advisor, just some guy on the internet. But what a wild time to be alive, ladies and gentlemen. And a big announcement, that candle did finish green. So this one's red. This is the first 30 seconds. Put a 1 in chat if you think this red candle is going to finish green. I think it's going to finish green. Or put a 2 in chat if you think not. Since we've opened, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, really 7 full 5-minute candles. And all but one were green. And with gold, it's a similar situation here. Let me drag this over here. There we go. Since we've opened, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. And all but one is green. Our next target for gold is 40 to 32. For silvers, back over 57. Let's check the futures price. 57.60. What a wild time to be alive. What a wild, wild time to be alive. Woo! Will coin shops stay open by the explosion of silver? Silver Pug, yes, they'll stay open. The prices are going to be crazy. Phil Hammer, which site did you buy from? I bought from SD Bullion. They have right now 999 rounds of their choice at spot. And I bought the 5-ounce Canadian maple. You guys, SD Bullion has really good deals right now. Multiple deals at spot price for Black Friday for gold and silver. I think those end in the morning. Phil Hammer saying international stack. Okay, I answered that. If you guys have questions, tag me in them. Thanks for making this so fun. Just joined, said Goodson774. Oh, hey, big thank you to Goodson. Just became a channel member. You guys, when you become a channel member or super chat, it helps the channel immensely. It really does. Thank you so much. Even when you like the stream, when you share the stream, when you leave a comment on a video, when you retweet a tweet, it helps. It helps the channel grow. It helps the movement grow. And the bigger we can grow together, the Crustacean Nation, the more people that will find out, the more people that will be prepared. Because, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. The paradigm shift is happening. This stuff is going to zero. This stuff is shooting the moon. And as a matter of fact, I got Thor's hammer. We'll hit that right there. Welcome everyone to the stream. Over 1,000 people on, but 528 likes. Smash that like button. Let's see if we can get up to 600 as we got a bunch of people subscribing. Thank you so much. And again, welcome to all the channel members. We've got just 2 minutes left for this candle to turn green. I've got faith it's going to turn green. As we are at 40,565 subscribers, just 35 subscribers away from the big show, I think we can do it. Tuning in from Canada, says the Sawatch. Okay, I got a question for you guys. My name's International Stacker. I'm coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm currently closer to to Cuba than a Walmart. That's the funny saying. That's where I'm at. Where are you at in the United States, and where are you at in the world? I'm currently just sipping on water. A little boring, but it's hydrating. What are you sipping on and where are you at in the world? Let me know as we push higher, and the futures is raging 57.78. Wow. Buckle up, guys. This is about to get explosive. Wow, 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 wow. We got Goodson in Montana. Again, shout out to the newest channel member. Thank you so much for becoming a member. We've got someone in, we've got Echo in NorCal. We've got Mode in British Columbia. We've got SDCCCC Crasher from Cali. We've got Lincoln Darla Los Angeles, California. We got Southwest Michigan for Jeff Tiger Thomas, longtime channel member. Thank you for the support. All Things Silver channel member. Thank you for the support in North Carolina. Jimmy Boy, Florida, Central Time Zone. I'm on Eastern Standard Time right now. Shoot 'em in North Georgia Mountains. We got Hampshire, UK in the house with Visible Comment. Good to see you, Visible. Welcome. We got people in from everywhere. We got Colorado Springs. We got Tennessee. We've got Sipping on Tea in Texas with Anita Moore. We've got Truckee, California. I've driven through there a bunch of times with Library Habit. Subscribing from Chicago with Janet Yellens. Good to see you. Janet Yellens Liquidity. That's a funny name. Central Missouri for Silver Bowl. Thank you so much for subscribing, SR. Thank you for subscribing, Rebecca. Thank you for subscribing, Martin Houston and Mark Thames. Ooh, Black Silver Staff just dropped the 99-cent crazy. Is it emoji? Emoji. We've got Aztec Gold from Denver, Bullhead, Arizona, not far from Laughlin, as a matter of fact. Sean Leslie, good to see you. We got Hot Tea Sipping in Central Illinois with Jackie Stackler. Guys, I did live in Springfield, Illinois for a little bit. Chicago Sipping on Water for C3D. We've got Ron Spencer in Tampa. We've got Tobacco Row in Wichita, Kansas. As Golden oh, you guys, we're shooting it. All new high, all new high, all new high, all new high. This is not a drill. Ladies and gentlemen, all new high, 57.17. Our next target, a 57.26. We're about to take that out. We're about to take that out. Get excited. Get excited. Drop. Sublime. It's time for a crab dance, Supply. Sublime. Start the crab dance, Sublime. Wow, 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 wow. We're going higher. Let's see what futures is. Woo! 57.44 futures. We're right here in futures. Look at that spike. We nearly took out our next level, 57.21. What a wild time to be alive. Oh my goodness gracious. Drop those crabs in chat. If you think silver's going higher, we've got a crab dance going on. Even the bot says it's time for a crab dance. We got 1,000 people tuning in from all over the world. And the one thing that unites all of us, our love for not this stuff, for physical silver and physical gold. Ladies and gentlemen, what a truly amazing time to be alive. Look at those germanium mint runes back there. I love these. Like those. Bloop, 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 bloop. Anyways, fun. That's just fun. It's fun. You gotta have a little fun. Okay? You gotta have a little bit of fun. As we rage higher on another green candle, so we've been open 40 minutes and we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're on our 9th candle, and all but one's green. With gold, we're on our 9th candle, and all but 2 are green. What a wild time to be alive. Oh, guys, let's check. We did it. 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 Gold to silver ratio broke into 73. This is the first time in a long time. May of 2024 is the last time we were this low. You guys smash that like button if you're excited. I'm super excited. Silver is raging. We're about to take out another one. We're about to take out another one. Oh my gosh. 57.65. Wow. Let's drop that to 65. Thank you so much for all the subs. We're at 40,591 subscribers. Only 9 more subscribers. Then we'll update this together and you guys will get to see the big show. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Woo! We are just 9 likes away from 600. Please smash that like button. Welcome everyone to the stream. The name is International Stacker. I travel the world on gold and silver adventures, really over 1,700 videos with y'all around the world. I live stream from the back of a camel. We got attacked by pirates in the Nile. We got stopped by police in the streets of London, delivering a Godwin to somebody in Ireland. I just got back from Poland and the Czech Republic. And ladies and gentlemen, what a wild time to be alive. And big shout out to Library Habit. Library Habit just became a channel member, the newest member. Check out those emojis. Emojis. We're also going to have a war room. Channel member only war room at the end of this stream. And I will be streaming Market Open in the morning. I'll start streaming probably 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning. Channel members, What do y'all know about the War Room? That's coming later for the channel members. We still got some time to that. We still got some time. We're going to hang out here for a while. This price is just... we are raging. Ladies and gentlemen, 1,000 people on, 626 likes. We did it. Okay, here comes the big show. Watch this number right here. This number right here. Watch it update. Here we go. Here we go. We did it. Thank you so much. 40,600. We did it. We did it. Thank you so much, guys. Woo! This is a wild stream. This is a wild night. As just Dario was saying, if the rumor going around in Asia about a large commodity trader that requested a big physical delivery, sending the CME in panic mode last Friday is true, in a few days, the COMEX silver inventory report will show a big outflow of silver registered inventory. COMEX silver inventory alert. Over 8.3% or 12.5 million ounces were just transferred out of the COMEX. Oh, wow. Out of the COMEX registered inventory. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you to Ansel Gadia for subscribing and Drone Buddha. Thank you so much for everyone subscribing. You guys, I actually have enough silver to fulfill one contract. Here, let's do a tweet together. Let's do, I never tweet on my, oh, it's up here. It's up here. I literally never tweet. At CME group at LBMA. What's London? London. They probably don't even have a Twitter. We'll do the COMEX. Attention. If you need more silver liquidity, I am prepared to cover an entire contract for you. 5,000 ounces. Please process payment at... How much should we give it to him, guys? 150 an ounce? There we go. Retweet that. If you're on X or Twitter, retweet that. What a wild time as gold and silver rage higher, guys. We have made all-time highs today. 57.15 for silver. And gold, we're not close to the all-time high, but we're raging back towards that 42.32 mark. What a wild stream. What a wild night. Thank you so much for all the support. We've got whoa! Whoa, wait. Oh, what is going on here? Oh, okay. Whew. I got excited there. That got switched off gold for a second. It was all messed up. I was like, what the heck is going on? Silver futures is at 57.65 right here. Gold to silver ratio just edged back to 74. We're going to get back to 73 here, I think, really quick. As TF Metals report is saying, spot silver up a quick 1% and at 57 in the first 2 minutes of Sunday evening trading. Wow. Guys, follow me on X, previously known as Twitter. INTL Stacker, National One It Fit. The old pretender is saying last week's silver drama will have attracted lots of new attention to silver by hedge funds, family offices, etc., which will accelerate bullion buying. As a microcosm of this, I have had a flood of new followers. The silver community and buying power is growing and growing. You guys, we got to unite. We got to unite. Gold to Silver HQ, I've noticed the same thing on my crypto folks too. Peter R. Hand saying, breaking, the CME is reporting there's a mysterious 1-minute time loop missing of the videotape recording of the coolant room at the data center facility in Illinois, which coincides with what... Dude, that is so funny. That is so funny. Smart Silver Stacker, the long-term M2, which is the money supply, silver trend just broke support for the first time in decades. If this ratio were to visit the 1980 level, it would imply a 10x move. 10x? $1,000 silver? No. That'd be crazy. Well, more like 500, but still, that'd be crazy. Moving silver from here. This is what structural monetary debasement looks like. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pushing higher. The market's been open for nearly 50 minutes, and all but one candle has been green. We're about to push it again. Our next target is 57.25. We're about to push it. Let's see if we could do it. Our all-time high was recently set just now at 57.21. Let's see if we can do this. Put a 1 in chat if you think we could do this. We've got about 1,100 people in the live stream, but only 657 likes. Guys, smash the like button, please. Helps the channel out a lot, and it's going to get out to more people and wake them up. So far, too, thank you, Jeff Tiger Thomas, for being a member for 29 months. Thank you, Sublime, for being a member for a month. Thank you, Roadkill, for being a member for a month. Thank you to Scott Dicker, a brand new channel member. Thank you to Goodson, just became a new channel member. Thank you for Black Silver Staff for the 99-cent super chat, and thank you Library Habit for becoming a channel member. That is mega. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at 40,629 subscribers. That means we're only 71 subscribers away from seeing the big show together on stream. I think we can hit it. If Silver keeps going the way it does, I think we could hit it. 1,100 people on, 692 likes. Only 8 more likes until 700 likes. We just started a brand new 5-minute candle. Each of these candles is 5 minutes. Get ready, guys. Get ready. I think we're going to do it right here. I think we're going to do it. Come on. I think we're going to break this next 57.24. Let's see what futures is sitting at. Oh, yeah, 57.74. Get ready. Get ready. Here it goes. Here it goes. Oh, my gosh. Here it goes. Here it goes. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Oh, we just kissed it. Some call that the devil's tea bag. I'm just kidding. I'm joking. 57.23 is the new high. 57.23. Clogzilla in the house. Good to see you. How's it going? It's going absolutely insane. It's going insane. Woo! I took a sip of this water. Oh my goodness. We're at 40,638 subscribers, 1,100 people on, 716 likes. Thank you so much to Ray Merrill for subscribing. Welcome. Guys, we are almost to the next target right here. Remember, 57.25 is our next target for silver. Gold is just chugging along, moving sideways. That's fine. That means this ratio is back into 73. Back into 73 for the gold to silver ratio. Let's see what we can do here. As Alexander's saying, there were rumors in China of a massive silver stand for delivery on Friday. I heard that too. It turned out that there was a COMEX 7,330 contracts worth over $2 billion. Could it be that it was a Chinese entity standing for delivery and that the plug was pulled? Ooh, that's spicy. I got to look into that for you guys more. PM Bug is saying the puppet master of silver derivative market is fleeing to NYC. Yeah, guys, look at this. Breaking news. JP Morgan Chase moved its entire gold trading desk from New York to Singapore last Thursday. What in the world is going on? Whew. Silver Santa. When gold and silver break out, the media will almost certainly distract the public with headlines of mysterious balloons, drones over military bases, fresh UFO reports, or alleged alien encounters. It's the same old playbook. That's funny. I think we're almost at stage 5 now, says Eric Young. I wrote this pin. Eric Young is great, guys. Follow him on X, previously known as Twitter. Dr. Potassium is great, too. As markets open this evening, admire the perfection of the breakout from the cup and handle formation that began October 17th. Beautiful. I've been calling $60.63 ounce by Christmas since November 13th. Okay, so we're going to mark that. We're going to mark that right now. He's saying 60.63 by Christmas. Guys, remember the beginning of the year I said $50 silver. 60.63. Not a financial advisor, but the beginning of the year I said 60. 63, there we go. I said $50 silver and 4,000 gold by the end of the year. People made fun of me. They said I was foolish. I wasn't bullish enough. We did it. So now my new targets by the end of the year is $75 gold, $5,000 silver. If we can do that, it's not guaranteed, but if we can do that in the first quarter of 2026, I expect to see triple-digit silver. This is much different than 1980 and 2011. Go to my channel, click videos, click latest, watch this right here. Shocking, $100 silver if this happens, not 1980, in a massive giveaway. The giveaway's over. I gave away 70 ounces of silver, guys. 70! And a 1/2 gold back to the first 1,000 people. But subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss it again. But that breaks it down. And also, too, this emergency silver transport, silver shortage 2025, that talks about physical being gone in the London bullion vaults. It affects you. It affects the whole market. I'm not talking coin shops. I'm talking about the market. Oh, you guys, we did it. We did it. We just set an all new high. So this one goes away. Bloop. We just set an all new high. 50.26. Silver futures is 50.78. Okay. We're continuing our march upward. Wow. Gold to silver ratio is well into the 73s. 1 ounce of gold equals 73.82 ounces of silver. Wow. $57 an ounce spot silver coming. Happy Sunday evening, you bullionaires. All of you in the stream, if you have any silver or gold, you are bullionaires. Oh, man. Let's refresh this. Let's go back over here. And ladies and gentlemen, I am at 40,648 subscribers. Only 52 more subscribers, and we're going to have the big show and go to 40,700. Can I break 41,000 on this stream? I think I might be able to. We got 1,000 people on here. 745 likes, guys. Please smash the like button. Welcome to my channel. I travel the world on gold and silver adventures with y'all by my side, part of the journey. I've really got over 1,700 videos from all over the world that you're going to want to see and watch. I've live streamed from the back of camels. We got attacked by pirates on the Nile River. That's on a live stream. I got stopped by the police in London with a letter with silver in it for Silver Limey. I was hand delivering a giveaway win to him in Ireland. I just got back from Poland and the Czech Republic. I was at the Germania Mint. The Germania Mint, the same place those are from. Guys, the same place these are from. The Germania Mint. The same place this is from, Germania Mint. So that video is coming soon. I was all up in the mint, and I actually got to mint an unreleased coin. So one of you might be, if you into Germania Mint, one of you might actually end up with the coin that I minted. We're sitting at 40,657 subscribers. Only 43 more until the big show. 43 more. We'll update this together, and you all will do the big show. As we move sideways on a red candle, but this candle just started. So by 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, this candle will be done. Put a 1 in chat if you think this candle will end green. I think it's going to end green. We still got 3.5 minutes left to do it. Put a 2 in chat if you think it's going to end red. Let's see what you guys think. 57.83 futures. Oh my gosh, that's our next target, 57.83. I'm using these. Like, I have no historical stuff to go off for targets. So I'm just using futures to set price targets. That's what I'm doing. We got a bunch of people saying 1. A bunch of people saying... Everyone's saying 1. We got W. Fuller just subscribed. Thank you so much. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. Enjoy the stream, guys. Enjoy the chat. You can play games with people in chat. The longer you stay in a live stream or premiere, you earn a digital currency. It's not a crypto. It's called a claw. It's a crab claw. Claws. And it's just to have fun and play with and challenge people as you hang out on these streams. It's a lot of fun with over 1,100 people on the stream, 774 likes, 26 more likes to 800. I think we could do it, guys. I really think we could do it. And every time you smash that like, it not only helps the channel immensely, over 1,500 videos, we've been all over the world together, but it's going to help wake up more people to gold and silver, help more people get prepared. And I'm at 40,665 subscribers. That's just 35 away from 40,700, and then we'll do the big show. I need to take a sip of water. Thank you for subscribing, Mr. Scallywag Squidbait. Mr. Scallywag Squidbait. That's a name. Thank you. Woo! We've got a minute and 40 seconds left. Let me grab I gotta grab some more water. 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm grabbing some water. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my gosh. Do you know who just walked in the room? Rat Stacker is in the room. Drop some rats in the chat. Come over here, Rat Stacker. Throw your hand up in this camera. Wave at everybody. We got Rat Stacker also known as the Goblin in the stream. Drop some rat emojis in the chat. If you love the Goblin, drop the Goblin too. We've got the Goblin in the room.
Mega!
Yes, we got the Goblin here. As we rage, we're raging tonight. We're having such a good time. Over 1,000 people in the chat. 800 likes. Look at all the rats. Look at all those rats, Stacker. We got some megas. We got a bunch of rats. We've got Rat Stacker. And she stacks silver, she stacks gold, and she stacks rats. So I think that's a pretty good mix. They say to diversify your portfolio. Silver, gold, rats. I love it. Ladies and gentlemen, what a wild time to be alive. We've got over 1,000 people in the live stream. 800 likes. Thank you so much. Smash the like button. I'm sitting at 40,678 subscribers. That means just 22 more subscribers, and then we'll do the big show together. As Silver Futures is raging, $57.85. Rat Stacker just bought some silver at 50, and each one of those ounces is now $7 more an ounce. That is crazy. Thank you so much to Lin Quang for subscribing. Thank you so much to Canadian Vacations and Hardly Walden for subscribing. Thank you, everybody. We've got the Netherlands in the house. Good to see you, Cash Out from the Netherlands. Where are you at from in the world? I'm coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. Mrs. IS is in the house. Mrs. IS, go wave hi over there on the camera if you don't mind. She just brought me some hot tea because this stream is going crazy. Yep. Just wave it, wave it, wave it, wave it. Pick up that hammer, hit something with that hammer. Lightly, gently. Hit that little bar. So we got Mrs. IS and a Rat Stacker here in the room. Drop those Mrs. IS emojis. Drop those Rat Stackers as silver and gold is literally raging. And we are sitting at $57.08 on silver. Wow. What a wild, wild time to be alive. And you guys, if you were at the Mega God where I give away over 70 ounces of silver and a bunch of gold and you won, don't forget, you got to pay the Goblin your... Do not forget, the Goblin always collects, and she's got creatures that help her. Welcome everyone to the stream, and thank you so much to Black Silver Staff for the 99-cent super chat. As silver is moving sideways, we've only had 2 red candles, and Mrs. IS and Rat Stacker are leaving the room to go watch some Christmas movies. What's the name of the movie you're watching? They're watching Sundays at Tiffany's. Oh, it's a show. Are you drinking eggnog? They're not drinking eggnog. Okay. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm taking a sip of this hot tea. I'm silver rated. It says Silver Pug. Silver Pug is silver rated. What a wild time tonight, guys. Tomorrow, the market is going to be absolutely insane. There's going to be a massive short squeeze tomorrow. I'm calling it right now. Like, what are we up? We are up 1%. We're up 1% just tonight. Just in the last 50 minutes. Crazy. North is going tonight, going to sleep. Good night, Northampton. Thank you to everybody from the UK joining us. Hopefully, and from Canada and all over the world. Hopefully when we wake up in the morning, put a 1 in chat if you think we're going to wake up to $60 silver. It's possible. It's December 1st already in New Zealand. We got Big Robs in New Zealand. Think silver stocks skyrocket like Friday. They could. Dude, I need to buy some more silver stocks. Miners, not ETFs. Miners. Woo! Silver futures is sitting at 57.96. All-time high. All-time high. We're going for 58 on the futures. Oh my gosh. Right now it's 96. Ladies and gentlemen, what a wild time. What a wild stream. We are sitting at 40,682 subscribers. Only 18 more subscribers to go. We'll have 40,700, and we'll do the big show update together live. And Jeff Tiger Thomas just paid the $5 GA tax to the GA Goblin. I'll have to tell her you paid your GA tax. Thank you for paying your GA tax. Woo! FOMO kicking in, says Buddha. Buddha, we're not even close. We're not even close. Get ready. Get ready. 1,000 people on, 828 likes. Smash the like button. Let's get it to let's get it to 850 at least. Welcome to Barbara. Just became a channel member prospector, and ladies and gentlemen, Barbara also won a big prize in the Mega God. Barbara, you won the 10-ounce Moon Festival Panda in the NGC slab, correct? The medal? I think you did. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for becoming a channel member. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you to GB Miller for subscribing. Come on. Come on, 58. I want to see that 58 futures. I really want to see that. And guys, this is healthy. Look at the last time we did this. We launched higher. So we're building the new coil. We're building the new coil to go higher. It's going to look something like that. Gold is moving sideways. It's a bit aggressive. There we go. There we go. Let's refresh this. Will the gold to silver ratio change also? Yes, it's changing as we speak. It's changing as we speak. The gold to silver ratio got down to 73. We're at 74.15. Yes. It's going to close big time. As silver has massive runs, it's going to close big times. Winston Wolf saying the biggest cup and handle pattern ever recorded in technical analysis. Hopefully this coffee tastes good. Guys, follow me on X, otherwise known as, previously known as Twitter. But look at this. This is the gold, or this is the silver chart. 45-year cup and handle. This was first identified by Mike Maloney, I believe. So what you do is you do a line here, and you draw to the depth of here. And then you can take that line and put it up here, and that's how high you'll see. It's going to be massive. Not a financial advisor, but boy, am I excited. Just in, silver soars to all new highs, says bar chart. Let's repost that. And TF Metals report, and then back up. Follow me on Twitter, or X, formerly known as Twitter. And boom, silver opens at another all-time high. Yeah, baby, saying silver, gold news. We are coiling here. We are coiling. Let's check the futures. 57.90. Whew. I want to break 58. I want to break 58. Goblin tax is going in the mill tomorrow. We'll send the track in. Thank you so much, Barbara. You guys know, when I say the GA tax, you got to pay your GA tax. It's really just a fun thing we've always done here on the channel. It's not necessary, but if you do send it, it goes right into the GA Goblin stack, and she enjoys it greatly. She loves letters. My P.O. box is in the description of every video. We've had 2 red candles. Since we've opened, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 full 5-minute candles, and only 3 of them have been red. We've got another 3 minutes on this candle. I think this candle is going to be green and is going to be a launch pad like this. If you agree with me, put a 1 in chat. Put a 1 in chat if you think in the next 3 minutes this red candle is going to turn green for silver. I also think the same thing for gold. Do you guys agree? Put a 1 in chat. If you do not think so, if you think it's going to be red, put a 2. Anyone from the North Pole here? Silver Pug is saying, not me. I'm definitely not in the North Pole. We've got 1,000 people on, 850 likes. I think we can get to 900 likes, guys. Not only does it help the channel immensely, but it helps get the word out to other people. And we're sitting at 40,699 subscribers. 1 more subscriber, guys, and we get the big show. 1 more subscriber, and we get the big show. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see. About 10 years ago, Steph Fran is saying, I suggested to my bro to buy some PMs, and his wife talked him out of it. Oh, brutal. I hope you're rubbing it in. I hope you're rubbing it in. How many claws do I have? Let's see. Okay, let's refresh it. Wow, we did it, guys. We did it. Here comes the big show. Watch this number right now. We're at 40,700. And 3, 2, 1. Boom. Goes the dynamite. 40,700. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That is mega. And guys, one more minute. We're changing green for silver. I think we called it. And gold, we're changing green. I think team green, team number 1 is gonna win this one. 35 seconds, we'll see. Let's see what futures is at. 57.76. Thank you so much. Woo! Welcome everyone to the stream. 942 people on. We're only 20 likes away from 900. I think we can get there. Please smash the like button. Wow. Thank you to JT Land, Todd Naden, BBR Studios, Doobie Wash, Jeff D, and these are the Voyages for subscribing. Thank you so much. You guys are all mega. 17 likes away from 900. I think we can get there. You guys, I travel the world making gold and silver videos. Over 1,700, really. It doesn't count live streams. With you all by my side. We've been all over the world, and I continue to go. I give away a bunch of silver. I give away a bunch of gold. As a matter of fact, I recently gave away over 70 ounces of silver, and a bunch didn't get claimed. Well, a bunch. 2 mega bags. I'm going to be giving this away, and I'm going to be giving that away on a future live stream. And also, Monument Metals sent me some pins with actual gold in them, so I'm going to be giving that stuff away soon in a few live streams. So make sure you got the notifications on, because you're not going to want to miss out. Each of those mega bags has anywhere between 1 and 5 ounces of silver in them. And hint, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. They're really good. As silver's moving sideways at 56.97, but we're building the springboard I was talking about here. You see the 2 grains? We're building the springboard to go higher, so buckle up. Futures is 57.80, going back up. Gold is moving sideways, but on a green candle. Let me take a sip of this real quick. Woo! What a wild stream. We've got 1,000 people on and 907 likes. Thank you so much, guys. Smash that like button. Let's see if we could get to 1,000 likes. I think we can do it. There's only 92 left. And we're at 40,736 subscribers. We are only, what is that, 64? 64 subscribers away from 40,800. And if we hit that, I'm going to do the big show again for everybody. If we hit 40,800, we'll do the big show. I think we might be able to break 41,000 on this stream. Thank you so much to Tomislav for subscribing. Thank you so much. Smash that like button. Smash it. Woo! Let's go. My goal is for futures to break $58. We got close. We got to $57.96. These are our next targets. The highest we've been so far is $57.30. And I like the way these green candles are looking. I will be streaming again in the morning for Market Open. It's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I'll be on probably 8 a.m. And tomorrow I'm expecting to see, if this price action continues, I'm expecting to see some explosive price action in the morning. I think a bunch of shorts are going to get squeezed. It's going to be insane. Thank you so much, Scott, for subscribing. It's going to be absolutely insane. Silver Stacker in the house. I'm enjoying my Mega 100 gram Scott Still a bar. I love free silver. Congratulations. I'm glad you won that. And that was sponsored by American Alternative Assets. I interviewed their CEO in this video here. Check it out. And he gave me a 100 gram bar to give away to y'all. And it looks like Silver Stacker 56 is the one that won that. That's awesome. Thank you so much for subscribing, Scott. We're sitting at 40,743 subscribers. Only 57 left until we hit 40,800, and that will be the big show. Thank you so much, Joseph, for subscribing. I think we can do it, says Barbara. And guys, we're at 936 likes. So that's only like 64 away from 1,000 likes. I think that'd be the most likes I've ever had during a live stream. 1,000 likes. I've been in the 900s. Okay, we've got a minute and 10 seconds left. This candle's turning red. I think it's going to finish green in the next, it's a 5-minute candle. In the next 1 minute, if you agree with me, put a 1 in chat if you think this candle's going to finish green. If you think it's going to finish red, put a 2 in chat. Nothing can go up straight up forever. Big shout out to Dangle Predictions. Thank you for becoming a channel member. Not only do you have custom emojis that you can drop and other fun stuff, but any channel member gets to go to the war room. I am planning to do one tonight, unless we go super late. Then I might not. We'll see. But channel members have a direct line to me. You can ask me questions of any time, and you help support the channel. Help me do what I'm doing. I recently, in the mega giveaway, gave away over 70 ounces of silver and a bunch of gold. The gold backs are shipping in the next week or two, guys. Next week or two, those gold backs to the first 1,000 people, the one-halfer, is going to be shipping. Zeph is saying, International Stacker, in over a decade, I've never had an issue with cooling at a data center. Power definition. Yeah, I know, Zeph. It's total scam. It's total scam. Sean Leslie, the one-half gold backs are going to be shipping in the next week to 2 weeks. 1,000 of them. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, Dangle Predictions. Thank you so much, and for becoming a channel member. Anytime you guys become a member or super chat, it helps the channel immensely. Even if you just like a video, share a video, subscribe, turn on the notifications, drop a comment below, follow me on X. It helps the channel immensely. Steph Fran is saying, a few years ago I was told that you'd be able to buy a house with a few gold coins. Do you see that coming in the future to fruition? Yes, but not a few gold coins. Not a few. It's going to be more than a few, but yes. Yes. I do think that. Let's see what we got here. Thank you so much for subscribing, Trent. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. Thank you so much, Sergey, for subscribing. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got about 900 people on and 949 likes. I think we can hit 1,000 likes. That would be the most likes I've ever had during a live stream. I've had more than 1,000 likes on a live stream once it ended. But if we hit 1,000, that's my record. I'm sitting at 40,751 subscribers. Only 49 left. If we hit that together, I will update that with the big show. You guys will get to see live. And we're on the third ascending green candle on this coil. That is extremely bullish. Buckle up. And gold is pushing. Silver futures is 57.63. Wow. Crypto's dumping, says Great White Cat. I bought a truck this week with 28 ounces of silver. Awesome. Elder Joshua Hetrick. Great White Cat and Elder Joshua, both channel members. Thank you so much. Zeph is saying, International Stacker. Oh, so you want to make records just like silver, huh? Yes, I do, Zeph. Silver's pumping. Let's pump the channel. Yes. Smash the like button, says Ellie. Thank you so much. Dangle Productions saying, all my friends have been calling me crazy for buying ounces. I know, I've been talking so many people through how to buy their first silver. It's been insane. You're spending more time asking for subs and likes. Sorry, I can't take it anymore. RAGE, we've got 900 people in the chat, and each person stays for an average of 7 minutes and 19 seconds. So I have to be a little repetitive on some stuff. Otherwise, I'd miss a whole segment of people. So sorry about that. Appreciate your patience. Appreciate you being in here. But my goal is to grow this channel as big as I can, to spread the good news about gold and silver as far as I can around the world, to help more people prepare and be safe. So that's why I repeat it. So we're only 23 likes away from 1,000. I think we can get there. Thank you so much, everybody. Appreciate everybody helping the channel. Thank you so much. Silver Stacker saying, can't wait to trade my 100-ounce bars for more rentals. That's going to be crazy. Put a 1 in chat if you've got some 100-ounce silver bars. Let me show you guys some 100-ouncers. We got 100-ouncer here, 100-ouncer here, 100-ouncer here. That's a 100-ouncer. They kind of blend in. Look at this. Look at this Big Daddy. Woo! RCM Hundo. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 500 ounces and 100-ounce bars right there. And I got some copper bars up there too. Tomorrow there will be lines because of a new altar. Yeah, probably. Tomorrow's going to be crazy. Please let me tell you when you can't talk about... Wait. Please let me tell you what you can and can't talk about on your own channel. That's funny, Great White. Darth says, I don't even have 100 ounces altogether. It doesn't matter, Darth. If you've got 1 ounce of silver, you've got more than most of the world's population. And remember, you can get free silver. If you live in the United States, every time you go to a grocery store, check the coin stars, check the reject tray. I find coins in them every day. Not always silver, but I always find coins. Also, too, coin roll hunting. Research it on my channel. Get yourself some free silver that way. And just subscribe and turn on the notifications because I give away free silver and gold all the time as well. We are just 14 likes away from my all-time high, 1,000 likes. I think we can do it. I think we could do it, guys. 831 people on the live stream. We've got 40,754 subscribers. Only 46 away from the big show of 40,800. I think we can do it. That's where I left my RCM 100 bar, says Sean47. You can just ship it back to me, IS. You're welcome, Sean. Sean is a long-time channel member. He's been a channel member for like 50 months or something crazy. He's in Canada. Good to see you, Sean. Need more gold, says TM170. Yeah, I feel that every day. Gold and silver. Why did I buy more? India needs to invest in trash cans for the communities, says Joseph. I've never been to India. I've been all over the world and over the Middle East and a lot of countries. Unfortunately, litter is a problem. But it's okay. We're not focused on litter. We're not focused on the world's problems. In this stream, we're focused on gold and silver. And boy, has it been crazy. Zeph is saying, International Stacker, we can give you a fake likes, but I think you like the real thing. No, I don't want fake likes. I only want real likes. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it! For the first time ever on a live stream, I have broken 1,000 likes during the live stream. Thank you so much, everybody. That is so mega. We got 800 people on here and 1,000 likes. Thank you so much. We're at 40,756 subscribers. That's only 34, wait, 60, 44 away from 40,800. Sorry, my math head has gone crazy. We did it. We did it, guys. We did it. Silver quarters are expensive now. Yeah, how much is this? Okay, let's see. A silver quarter right now. Where are you? One silver quarter is $10. Oh my gosh. $10.30 for one quarter. That is crazy. We need a Coinstar god. Oh, that'd be a funny video, guys. I just go out in the public and start putting silver coins and Coinstars and broadcasting the location. Hazy Sunshine says, it says 1,000 likes right now for me. I did. I hit it, Hazy. Thank you so much. I did hit it. We're at 1,014 likes. Smash that like button, guys. Thank you so much for the support. Silver's moving sideways right now. I'm not scared. Are you? Futures is sitting at 57.67. Gold is sitting at 4,200. And thank you so much to Black Silver Staff for the 99-cent super chat. One dime is worth $4, Ethan C says. Guys, I met Ethan C in real life in North Carolina. I caught the King Crab coin. That is crazy. Good thing I have like 4,000 silver dimes. 74. We did break into 73 for a little bit. Now we're back in 74. Let's update this. Let's see what everyone's saying. Thank you so much for the $1 super chat, Dangle Productions. Thank you so much. You guys, super chats, all that stuff helps a lot, and I really appreciate it. Peter Spina, silver futures hit fresh record highs, 1 minute chart. Wow. So, what a wild... You guys follow me on X, previously known as Twitter. Copper is like a rocket on the launch pad, and when it takes off, it will drive silver much higher as well due to their close relationship. Yeah, guys, most mines are not straight up silver mines. Silver is mostly mined as a byproduct for copper and lead and different things. Who wants to see my big copper bars? Put a 1 in chat if you want to see a couple large copper bars. Let's see what you guys think. TF Metals report, and then straight back down. Be ready for a wild volatility Monday night. Dude, we're good, bro. Don't panic. PM bug. This is crazy. JP Morgan reportedly moved its entire gold trading desk from New York to Singapore last Thursday. Quietly, no press release. If this is accurate, it's not just another relocation. It smells like an escape. Silver, it's a process. Cup, handle. So you got to measure from here to here, and then you put that above the handle. So like it'd be here to here. And that's the short-term cup and handle. We're in the middle of a 45-year cup and handle, as identified by Mike Maloney. Just Dario, wow, spot silver already trading above 57. Dude, what a wild time to be alive, guys. Thank you for subscribing, Tang. Thank you so much. We're at 40,758 subscribers. Only 42 subscribers away from 40,800. I think we can do it, guys. We've got 750 people on the stream, 1,022 likes, almost to 1,100 likes. This is insane. Thank you so much for all the support. Really appreciate you guys. Big time. Big time. Appreciate. Whew. Silver is mine, and God is the mine, says the Lord. Or, oh, wait. Silver is mine, and gold is mine, says the Lord, says Jesus King forever. That's funny. Jackie Stackler in the house. Wouldn't surprise me. PMs are tax exempt. Can't tax what they can't trace. They're tax exempt unless you win the Mega. And if you win, you got to pay your... I'm just saying, you got to do it. It's the God Goblins rules. I'm sorry. Thank you, Brandon, so much for subscribing. I recently just gave away over 70 ounces of silver and a bunch of gold on my channel. Make sure to turn on notifications. Make sure you subscribe. I travel the world making gold and silver videos. Over 1,500. It's really over 17 if you count live streams. Check out the channel. Got lots of great videos. I just dropped this one the other day. Please watch it all the way through. The algorithm thinks it doesn't. The algorithm's not pushing out there. It's only got 1,800 likes, unfortunately. But it's $3 million in shipwreck gold and silver. If you watch it all the way through, it tells the algorithm it's worth watching and it will recommend it to more people. It's a really good video. I think my mistake was dropping it on the day silver was breaking out. So everyone just wanted to watch the market. They didn't want to watch the video. But there's one thing that always goes up. That's the U.S. debt. Look at that climb. It's called the hidden tax. That's what I call it. Taking your hard-earned money away. And that's why we stack physical gold and silver. Nigerian mint selling silver bangles under spot. Interesting, Darth Wanker. That's interesting. Dangle Productions is saying refineries are swamped in London and New York. Supplies are moving fast. Zeph is saying international stacker. When people hear about the futures, I think it's sometimes way... it's sometime way away. Don't let that confuse you. These contracts have to be settled in 60 days. It's not, if not this month. Yeah. Yeah, no, I get what you're saying, Zeph. Zeph keeps me grounded, guys. Zeph is a wealth of information in the chat. So if you got questions and I don't see him, ask Zeph. He will answer them for you. He's really good. Thank you so much to Boy for subscribing. Orlando. I was just in Orlando with Rat Stacker Mrs. IS for subscribing. And we've got a huge green candle building here. Ladies and gentlemen, is this going to be the push to 58? 57.72 on futures. This is looking really strong here. Okay, buckle up. Buckle up. We might see something explosive here. The debt clock is not as important as you think, says Jonathan Herbert. No. I mean, it just shows. It just shows we're continually adding debt. How do you break free of that paradigm? Physical gold and silver. Not a financial advisor. Just some dude on the internet. But we've done pretty well together. If you've been subscribed for a while, we've done really well together, guys. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who's become a channel member and everyone who is a channel member, everyone who's super chatted. Jeff Tiger Thomas, member for 29 months. Dropped silver to the moon in chat. Thank you so much. Sublime Mad Dog, member for 1 month. Saying member for 1 month, but subscribe for 6 years. That's mega. Roadkill saying member for 1 month. Smash that like button. Welcome to the new channel members. Scott, Derek, Goodson, Library Habit, Thank you, Black Silver Staff, for all the 99-cent Lester chats he sent, and Jeff Tiger Thomas for the Goblin God tax $5. Welcome to Barbara and Dangle Productions, new channel members, and thank you so much, Dangle Productions, for the super chats you sent. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a wild ride. It continues to be a wild ride as if we got about 750 people on the stream, 1,041 likes, 9 likes away from 1,050. Smash that like button, and we continue to move. Here with silver, we're over 57 again, $57.04 and going higher. Silver futures is at 57.63. Wow. Look at that mega spike on gold. We want to break 42.32. That's the recent high. Let's see if we can do it. That is a mega spike there. Wow. And we got a pretty good spike on silver too. Let's see what we can do. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, at INTL Stacker, INTL International When It Fit. I put all kinds of great information on here. Silver Ape King saying, why would anyone sell their silver when we all knew this is going much higher? Silver, supply, shortages. Love that. Silver, boom. There is 57, says Jason M. What a wild time to be alive, guys. People were hating on me. Silver will never be over 20 again. And then when it had the little bit of a correction from 54 to 48, it will never be again, you losers. You guys, I think it's done. I think we'll never be able to buy silver at $50 an ounce or less again. Put a 1 in chat if you agree with me. Put a 2 in chat if you think we're going to be able to buy it for less than $50 an ounce. I think those days are gone. I put out a video not long ago. Whew. Oh, we got Mr. Reader in the house from Brazil. That's mega. Welcome, Brazil. Obrigado for being a subscriber. Thank you so much. Gold to silver ratio back to 73. Gold futures back to 57.62. As silver trade saying me counting down the minutes until the CME's next cooling issue. Put a 1 in chat if you, or no, put a 4 in chat if you guys think that the cooling issue is going to happen again at the CME. Put a 6 in chat if you have no idea what I'm talking about with the cooling issue, and I'll explain it to you quickly. Dude, tomorrow is going to be a massive short squeeze. Silver explode. Oh, I missed. Wait, no. Oh, I already voted. I already voted on that. He's got this fun poll. Here. I'll retweet this poll so you guys can vote in it. CME delays opening due to crows. Okay, people saying 6. Okay, so what happened the other day is the gold and the silver market, if we look back here, so dirty. Silver was about to make an all-time high in after hours. Where is it? It's right here somewhere. It was about to make an all-time high in after hours, and the COMEX shut down trading for over 11 hours. Over 11 hours. Where is it? And they said it was due to a cooling issue. In a data center that has many other customers, and no other customers had the same cooling issue. And it's got a triple redundant system in there for cooling. I can't find it. There's a bunch of gaps. I can't find it. I'll have to find it some other time. So anyways, people are calling it cooling gate and all kinds of stuff. Totally scandalous. I think they're going to pull some crazy stuff to try to stay alive here. I really do. As silver is trading at 57.16, it's looking strong again. We might be starting our push towards 58 here shortly. Let's see what we can do. Here we go. Silver opens for trading. Silver takes down 57 for the first time ever. 750 people on the live stream, 1,056 likes, 44 likes, 44 more likes to 1,000 to 100 likes. I think we can do it. Something is up. I can feel it in my Santa toes, says Silver Santa. TF Metals report, and it all traces back to 1971 every time. That's when Nixon took us off the gold standard. I want to read this later, so I'll retweet it. Deep value signals. I got some laughs a couple months ago when I mentioned $400 to $500 oil. He's talking about oil. Let's refresh that. Let's go here. And guys, I'm sitting at 40,773 subscribers. That means there's 27 subscribers more. This will update to 40,800, and we'll do the big show together. So just a few more subscribers, and we'll do the big show together. Make sure you subscribe. Smash that like button. We are getting close to 1,000 to 100 likes. We got 750 people on. What a wild time to be alive. Was the shutdown as forensic accounting operation? I mean, the shutdown was to cool. It's the same reason in a casino when a craps table or a table's doing really well, and they'll switch out the dealers to try to stop the momentum. They're trying to stop the momentum. Had they not done that, we probably would have woken up to $60 silver, in my opinion. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet. But that's what I think. We're going to keep going here for a little bit longer. I will be live streaming in the morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The market normal trading hours is from 8:30 to 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll be covering market open tomorrow and probably market close. Steel City Stacker in the house. Good to see you, Steel City. Our next target is 57.30. So our all-time high in silver during this stream and ever has been $57.30, and we're raging back towards that. What a wild time. Wow. Woo! There was no cooling issue. I agree with you. There was no cooling issue. This is crazy. I woke up Friday. It was 55. I know, Carl. It's been insane. 60 silver by midweek, saying TM117. Do you guys agree with TM? Put a TM in chat if you agree that we're going to be 60 by midweek. Zeph is answering questions in chat. If I miss him, Zeph can help you. He's very knowledgeable. You guys, we are just 26 likes away from 1,100. I think we could do it. Smash that like button. Please subscribe. Share the stream. Turn on the notifications. Become a channel member. We are just 18 subscribers away from 40,800. We're going to do the big show together. Thank you so much for Factor Fiction and Pierre for subscribing. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. We got a bunch of TMs in chat, so a lot of people think we're going to be 60 by midweek. Let's see if we can break. Let's see if we can break loose here again. You must stay through the night, says Stefan. Should I do a 12-hour stream? Well, it'd be 14 hours. What if I stayed live all night? No, I can't do that. I need some sleep for tomorrow. Quarter-ounce Liberty round just cost me $30 after shipping. We'll laugh out loud, says Dingle Productions. That's crazy. Thank you so much, Dave, for subscribing. We got 700 people on, 1,087 likes, 13 likes from 1,100. Please smash the like button. We're only 14 subscribers away from doing the big show. Thank you, Dave, for subscribing. Once we get 14 more subscribers, we'll do the big show together live. Silver futures is 57.65 as silver pushes higher. Let's go. Jeff is saying SD Bullion, another 60 ounces silver rounds. Awesome. Yeah, SD Bullion sells silver at spot right now. I bought 10 ounces earlier from SD Bullion. I bought the 5-ounce Canadian maple coin, the first 5-ouncer, and 5 ounces at spot. Are you guys still buying silver? Put a 1 in chat if you are, if you bought during Black Friday, and put a 1 in chat and let us know what you bought. I bought 10 ounces. Channel growing fast. It is Twisted Tennessee. Thank you so much to you and other channel members that are helping to do that. And to everyone for subscribing. Thank you, everybody. Buy it while you can. It's outperforming gold. It's going to become what Mike Maloney called unobtainium, guys. You're not going to be able to obtain it. Yeah, Dangle, it's the 5-ounce from SD Bullion. The 5-ounce Canadian maple leaf. It's never been done before, supposedly. It has no stem on the leaf. It's a little suspect. No silver in UK. Really, Biden the hair sniffer. That's a funny name. Are you in the UK? And if you're in the UK, is there no silver out there? There's a 20% VAT tax in the UK and EU for silver. It's disgusting. So everyone's saying crypto is crashing. Let me look. Yeah, crypto's down big. Interesting. Guys, we're at 40,793 subscribers. Only 7 more subscribers, then we'll do the big update, the big show together for 40,800. We're close to 41,000 subs. Wow. I bought 5 ounces at SD Bullion Bar during this call. Awesome, Hazy Sunshine. Goodbye. I got 20 peace dollars for 39 on Black Friday. Wow, OHO. Goodbye. Sean47, I can't afford to buy food or gas these days. I'm trying really hard to sell as little silver as I can. Times are getting tough. Times are getting tough, Sean. Crispy Bacon Jr., good to see you. Scooped a couple Pamp Swiss. Hand poured 10 ounces Friday. Thought I'd better secure the cheap price. Yeah, for sure. I have several 5-ounce maples on the way, says Hick. That's awesome. Always buying, says Still City Stacker. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you so much, Ever Wonder Media, for subscribing. Guys, we're at 40,798 subscribers. 12 more subscribers, and we'll do the big show update. We're at 1,099 likes. One more like. We're at 1,100. Officially my most likes I've ever gotten live in a live stream. I've gotten more likes than 1,000 on a live stream after the fact, people that watch after. And we just did it. 1,100 likes, the most likes I've ever had on a live stream. Thank you so much as we're pushing back towards this 5730 mark. Things are about to get frosty. 5778 on futures. Back here, we've been there before. Our next target, once we break this, is going to be 5744. Things might get wild here in a second. Things might get wild. Let me update this. Silver contract paints a new all-time high. 57,745. Wow. Silver at 57. Follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, INTL Stacker. 57 silver at Mr. Uppy. It took a little longer than I expected, but I knew it would pay off. I can see 60 by the end of the week. Do you guys agree with that? Congrats to Silver Stackers. Do you think by Friday we'll be at 60? I think we could be well above that. You can believe in rainbow charts, power laws, or whatever you like, but you really need 2 lines. This very chart is very dangerous unless it regains that critical support. Oh, that's for Bitcoin. I'm like, what are you talking about? Gold and silver on the loose again, says David. Let's go ahead and retweet that. Whew. We're pushing, guys. I think we're gonna have a pretty good move here. 5786. Buckle up, guys. We're about to have a crazy move. Okay. I'm gonna be back in 30 seconds. I need to get more hot water in my tea. 30 seconds. I'll be right back. Keep watching this chart. Let's check the futures real quick. 5787. Get ready. It's about to be explosive. Hopefully I'm back in time. Okay, I'm back. We've got nearly 700 people on, 1,113 likes, and we are pushing back again, guys. Oh, wow, I'm at 40,799 subscribers. One more subscriber will update this live, and guys, you will get to see the big show. Guys and gals, we need one more subscriber. Who's it going to be? We're almost there. He needs to go kiss Mrs. IS, and he knows that I did go kiss her. I did kiss Mrs. IS. Oh, guys! Let me bring up this picture. It's coming. Hold up. Let me bring up this picture. Hold up 1 second. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Gosh dang it. 1 second. I'm about to show you guys something. Open with. Why is it doing that? 1 second, 1 second. Don't go anywhere. Dude, what the heck? There we go. I got it. I got it. I got it. Okay. 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 Thank you so much, Dangle Productions, for the $1 super Luster chat. Thank you so much. Luster for life. Let's do a Luster. Oh, thank you so much, Scott Loritz, for becoming a channel member. Welcome. And guys, it is coming. I've been teasing it for a long time. I finally got the design done. Here it is. Mrs. IS limited release coffee. I'm only going to make 50 bags. 50 bags, but there's the design. Do you guys love the design? Is that design fire? As silver breaks the previous all-time high, 50.53. Ladies and gentlemen, we just set a new all-time high. New all-time high. We're doing it. Wow, wow, wow. 57.31. Big shout out to Richard Metcalf, member for 2 months. Dropping the diamond claws. If you got diamond hands or diamond claws, let me know. Do you guys love that design? Have her brew you a pot. She's making me another tea right now. Wow, a bunch of subscriptions coming in. And you guys, we did it. We did it. We broke it. Watch right now. 40,700 goes to 40,800. Time for the big show.
To the 4th annual Crystal Light National Aerobic Championship.
4 times, channel members. Drop that 4 times.
Competing for the title
Drop
of
that 4
America's
times, channel
best
members.
aerobic athlete, presenting the reigning 1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal Light Champion, International Stacker.
4-time Crystal Light Champion as silver pushes higher. Let's see what the futures is. Thank you for all the subscriptions, guys. Thank you for all the likes. 5781. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What a wild time to be alive. 700 people on the live stream. 1,131 likes. 19 more likes. We're at 1,150. We're in all uncharted territory right now. The most likes I've ever received during a live stream. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is crazy. Woo! I am beaming TN artist. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone who just subscribed. Where's Richard Simmons? I appreciate you, IS. I've learned so much watching and listening. Twisted Tennessee. Thank you so much, Twisted. Come on. You know you want to pump, Silver. I'm just waiting. We need one final pump before I go to sleep tonight. Oh gosh, that did not sound good. You guys are gonna troll me now for months with that one. The shorts are getting desperate, says Silver Shadow. Silver keeps going up. Release the Karens yelling about the devil's metal. Oh my gosh, that is good. Peter Spina, the US dollar has been in default since 71. That's when Nixon took us off the gold standard. Don't forget about that, folks. Smash like, guys. We're 80 likes away from 1,150. Thank you so much. Deborah saying, truly astonishing. The mall market hasn't even started yet. Look at this. Implied allocations. Look at this. Implied allocations. Okay? Buckle up. Gold and silver HQ. All I want for Christmas is triple-digit silver. Is that too much to ask for? No, it's not. I love Fluffy. I've seen him perform twice in Saudi Arabia and a couple times in the United States. Federal Reserve to end QD tomorrow. What do you think? Break-in. JP Morgan moved its entire... I'm going to keep retweeting this because it's... JP Morgan moved their entire gold trading desk, allegedly, to Singapore. No press release. My imperfect understanding, COMEX has about 5,000 tons of silver. COMEX AP is standing for delivery of 12,400 tons, excuse me, by the end of December 2025, leaving the COMEX in a deficit of 7,000 tons. Where are they going to get it from? Neither Shanghai or LBMA has inventory. Let's see if COMEX replied to my tweet, guys. Let's see. Where's my tweet? Oh, man. I tweeted at the COMEX. Oh, man. Here it is. The COMEX has not replied yet. They've not replied. We'll keep waiting to see if they replied. As silver pushes higher, new all-time high. New all-time high. New all-time high. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wee wee whoa woo. New all-time high, $57.41. Our next target is $57.45. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, we got some Gaw Karen emojis being dropped in chat. There's always Karens during my Gaws, so I made a Gaw Karen emoji. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to all the new channel members. At what price do you stop stacking IS? Silver Stacker asks. I don't know. Yeah, I'll take a little bit. And Mrs. IS is bringing me a tasty treat. Put TT in the chat for tasty treat. Thank you, Mrs. IS. 700 people on, 1,151 likes. 49 likes from 1,200. I think we could do it, guys. And I'm at 40,833 subscribers. Guys, I think we could break 41,000. I really do. We're getting so close. Please subscribe. Please smash the like button. People asking why Bitcoin is going down. Fan, I don't know. I'm not looking at the cryptos currently. I actually got into gold and silver, guys, from the cryptocurrency market. I was mining Bitcoin in 2014. I had 13 of those, and I made some good money on them. But I didn't sell them at 120,000 each. I wish I did. But that's how I found out about gold and silver, was through cryptos. And I found out what real money was. Do I still play around in the crypto market? Yes. But what's the real money that I'm trusting that has thousands of years of history? Physical gold and silver. Silver futures is sitting at 57.91. Woo! 57.91. Come on. There'll be another target. Come on. Come on, baby. Welcome, Rick Hightower, to channel member Prospector. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Chasing that MILF, pumping it to Sean 40 says, chasing that MILF, not chasing that MILF. Thank you so much, Rick, for becoming a new channel member. Check out your channel emojis that you could drop. We do channel member only war rooms. I did a post the other day. If you're just joining, if you missed it, put a C in chat if you want to see the new design for Mrs. International Stacker coffee coming out. Put a C in chat. We're at 57.27 right now. Welcome all new subscribers. Welcome all new members. We're at 40,835 subs. That's crazy. We're killing it. 65 more, is it? To 40,900. Okay, guys. Every morning I live stream, I'm always sipping on Mrs. International Stacker's coffee. And, like, no joke, it's the best. And I was always bragging about it. People wanted to taste it. So I'm doing 50 bag release with my friend's coffee company. Mrs. International Stacker Coffee, limited release. Mrs. IS on the mug. Thank you, Mrs. IS. Let me get some sugar. Let me get a kiss. Oh, she just kissed me. It was a juicy one. We got Mrs. IS on the mug. We got Rat Stacker down here holding a little piece of silver. What do you guys think about that? Limited release coffee coming, probably only 50 bags. And then I'm done. I might need to auction those bags. Come on, 58. You guys, we can do it. We can get there together. We're at 1,163 likes. Only 47 likes from 1,200. My most likes ever on a live stream. Thank you so much. We're sitting at 40,837 subscribers. That is only 63 away from 40,900. And if we hit that on the stream, we will do the big show. I will do the big show as a group. Come on, 58. Oh, you guys were 4 cents from 58. That's the previous all-time high. We're at the all-time high right now in the futures. Come on. Give us 58. You guys, this is going to get crazy. When did you get married, I asked? Zeus LaBarber. Good to see ya. I got married 2 years ago, my friend. 2 years. That's why I went dark for a little bit. I got married. All of a sudden, a girl wanted me to sleep in bed with her, and I stopped making videos for a little bit, but I'm back, and I'm stronger than ever. Medic 1541 saying, I'm currently in El Paso, Texas, in an RV heading towards Las Vegas for the winter. It's hard to catch the morning videos. Sorry, Medic. It's getting way early for you, but it's worth it. Tomorrow's going to be crazy. Don't auction. First come, first serve, so Still City. Yeah, I'm not going to auction off the bags. It's going to be first come, first serve. Come on. Congratulations, Zeus LeBar. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, he found her. 9999. The bot's celebrating Mrs. IS. How did the bot know we were talking about Mrs. IS? That bot is crazy. 5738. Come on, features. Take us 96. Come on, features. If this pumps here, we're going to see $58 feature for the first time ever. International Stacker, have you tried coffee from poop? Oh, I've heard of it. I'm not drinking the poop coffee. No way. Why is crypto crashing? Lord Strong saying, Lord, I'm not looking at the crypto market at all right now. I'm covering specifically silver and gold. Can't really give commentary on it. I'm not seeing what's going on. Alert! Alert! New all-time high! New all-time high! Celebrate in the chat. Oh my gosh. It is going absolutely bananas. Boom goes the dynamite. We are at 57.47. Our next target is 57.50. Oh man, we're so close. And futures, let's see. 57.98, 2 cents away. 57.98 is the all-time high for futures. Come on, 58. Can we do it, guys? Can we do it? Drop some crabs in chat. It's time for a crab dance. Each crab is a missile at the big bankers, figuratively. I'm speaking figuratively. Literally storming the beaches of JP Morgan Chase, silver, gold, stackers, hoarders, collectors, numisticists, alongside our brothers and sisters from Wall Street Silver, Wall Street Bets, holding the lines against the big bankers, storming the beaches of JP Morgan Chase. Ladies and gentlemen, silver is going absolutely insane, and we are headed to an all-new high. 57.50 is the next target. Let's see if we can get there, as we got a massive crab dance going right now in chat. We're at 1,171 likes. That's only 29 likes until 1,200. And we are only 62 subscribers away from 40,900. And you guys get the big show if we hit that 40,900. I will update it live on stream. It's going to be absolutely insane. And you guys, I recently just gave away over 70 ounces of silver. So make sure you turn on the notifications. And I am giving away silver soon. These 2 mega bags. Do you guys want to see what's in these mega bags I'm going to be giving away? I'm not going to do it on this stream. It's going to be on a future stream. Also, 2 Monument Metals. I just made a purchase from them, and they dropped a bunch of... I said, hey, I've got a YouTube. Can you give me some swag to give away? So they dropped these pins with actual gold leaf in them, so I'll be giving those away too. Do you guys want to see what's in those bags that I'm going to be giving away? Dude, they're like worth more and more every day. Oh, gold to silver ratio. Wow, 73-71. Awesome. Thank you, Medic 1561. Yeah, the big bar got claimed in the last hour. The big bar got claimed. All that's left of those 2 mega bags. Okay, I'm going to quickly show you guys what's in these bags that I'm going to be giving away. So in Mega Bag 5, the person that wins this is going to be getting this 925. Hold up real quick. Let me just bring up the monitor. The person that wins this bag is going to be getting this 925 round. Okay. You're going to be literally becoming a billionaire in Zimbabwe. That's $5 billion. Got some, Steel City Stackers in chat. We got a sticker from him. We got a slow stacker patch, because sometimes you stack fast, sometimes you just got to stack slow. Got this Winston Churchill coin, not silver, but pretty cool coin. We've got, this is a good bag. We've got 40 cents of 90% silver. That's going to be given away in that bag. We've got a 1965 mint set from Canadian. And awesome, one of the coolest things, another 2 ounces of 999 silver. It is the ET set. Look at that. 999. So that's 1/2 ounce We got another half ounce with Elliot that's going to be given away to one of y'all. We got E.T. Meaton. And we got this one. So just in that one mega bag, guys, let me count it. 1 ounce, 2 ounces. We'll call that 3 ounces. Somewhere between 3 and 4 ounces just in that one bag. Yeah, the person did not claim this. So this is going to be given away. Oh, I forgot about the round. Yeah, it's 4 ounces probably in this bag. This went unclaimed. It's too late to claim it. Claiming is over. So that's going to be given away to one of you. And then I'll show you guys the other mega bag here in a little bit. Let's watch silver for a little bit more time. 700 people in the live stream, 1,185 likes, 15 more to 1,200. Let's see if we can get there. Why is everyone... Oh, 58 futures? We did it! We did it! We did it! Rich! What a time to be alive, ladies and gentlemen. 58 features. I saw 5801 for the first time ever. Wow. Boom goes the dynamite. We did it. Wow, wow, wow. Let me take a sip of this. Oh, wow. Look at this pump. We just took out another all-time high. This is not a drill. Whoa. We broke 5762. 5760. Oh my gosh. The next one is 5778. Wow. What a time to be alive. I can't wait till we wake up in the morning. Joseph saying, I love this channel. I love you, Joseph. Thank you. You guys, it's time for a crab dance. Drop a crab in chat. Drop a crab emoji in chat. Emoji. Those help the silver price pump even higher. Cooling. You guys, are they going to have to pause trading again for cooling issues? Woo! Oh, and gold. Okay, gold we have gotten to 42.33. Nice. Nice pump on gold. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for the crab dance. Thank you for the likes. We're at 3 likes away from 1,200 likes. My most likes ever on a live stream. We're at 40,848. Only 52 more subscribers. Then we're going to do the big show update for you all right here. That's going to be insane. Ladies and gentlemen, the name's International Stacker, coming to you from Key West, Florida, where I am closer to Cuba than a Walmart, stacking silver and gold so much that the island is literally sinking. Where are you at in the world? What are you sipping on? I'm sipping on some tea that Mrs. IS prepared for me because my throat is just on fire. I've been going so crazy. And I'm going to take a bite of this dessert she brought in. Let me try this. Oh, dude. She made like this pumpkin dessert. It was really good. Pumpkin mush, I'll call it. What's someone saying? Oh my gosh. What's going on? What's going on? We go higher. 57.61, the new all-time high for silver. It's on. Ooh, Spirit's about to have a banana blueberry smoothie. What's Steel City Stacker saying? It's pumpkin mush. I've never had it. It's delish. Mrs. IS is the bomb. Woo! 45 subscribers from 40,000 to 900, and then we'll do the big show updates. How about this, guys? If we hit 41,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a mega bag. I'm going to give away a mega bag if we hit 41,000 subscribers. We're at 40,855. That's not far-fetched. I've gained like 500 subs on this stream so far. Subscribe it up! If we hit 41,000, I'm giving away a mega bag. Let's see what's in this other mega bag as silver rages higher. This also went unclaimed. And if you win this mega bag, you're going to get 2 1/2 gold backs from Florida, courtesy of the lug. $5 billion. You are going to get a slow stacker patch, because if you can't stack fast, sometimes you just got to stack it slow. 40 cents and 90% silver dimes. You're going to get an American Silver Eagle colorized. Pretty cool stuff. You're going to get a 925 sterling silver. Pretty cool silver round here. And you're going to get a piece of premium Germania mint gold. Look at that. That went unclaimed during the Mega Ga. So if we hit 41,000 subscribers on this live stream, I'm going to give away one of those bags to one of you. It's pretty good odds. Someone's getting rich. We'll see if we can do it. Share the stream out. Smash the like. It helps get it out to more people. And we're at 40,860 subs. We're only 40 subscribers away from 40,900. Then I'll do the big show. Silver Futures is at 5809. New high. New high. New all-time high, 5809. Wow, we're going to 58, guys. We're going to 58. We're going to 58. Mark my words. I'm going to take a bite of this pumpkin mush. Oh, we got Shaban Salah from Egypt. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum ya Shaban. أنت من مصر؟ أنا رو مصري. القاهرة ممكن قبل 5 سنوات. I went to Egypt. I rode a camel. I do speak some Arabic. I worked in the Middle East. I contracted for nearly 10 years in Saudi Arabia. That's why my content is so crazy. Thank you so much, Jeffrey, for subscribing. Welcome to the Crustacean Nation. They're trying to crash it down, but we're not going to let it happen. All new high, 50.09 on futures. Silver, all-time high, 57.61. Subscribe, guys. If we hit 41,000 subs, I'm going to give away one of those mega bags. Wide bid ask. Scott's saying. Scott Dicker, new channel member. Thank you for the support. Saying that tamp down on wide bid ask. Thank you for subscribing, Mr. Fix It. If we hit that, I'm gonna give that away. One of those mega bags. We're at 40,870. Only 130 people to go, and I'm gonna give away a mega bag. Thank you, Mr. Fix It, for subscribing. I forget Egyptians. Do you have someone? So look, I can ship to America, North America, Canada. I can ship to most of Europe. Egypt's a tough one. But if you're from Egypt, but you've got a friend or family member somewhere else I could ship to, by all means, we'll figure it out. So, Saleh, if you win, we'll figure it out, okay? Just subscribe, says Shane. You guys, my giveaways are open to most of the world that I can. It's void where prohibitive. YouTube's not a sponsor. No purchase necessary. But when I give something away, I try to ship everywhere I can. Like, you guys support me from all over the world, so I feel like it's only fair. We're at 40,875 subscribers. 25 subscribers away from 40,900. And then I'm going to do the big show for y'all. And then 100 to go, and I'll give away a mega bag. I think we can get there. We're trying to smash us down. We're still over 58. Stay on target. Stay on target. But do you guys see the trend yet? Where did we start? I think we started here. Wait, where did we start? Here. Up, spring, sideways, up, spring, up, Hopefully this is a bigger spring we're getting ready for. We'll see what we got going on here. Bang. Let's see how gold's doing. Gold to silver ratio back in the 74s. Futures is still over 58. Super bullish. When watching you daily, you know what's up. Thank you, Shane. Just found 2 silver coins in my bulk bags. Let's go. That's awesome, King Solomon. Congrats. Cairo West. Science. Okay. Put a 1 in chat in honor of our subscriber watching from Egypt. Put a 1 in chat if you want me to show you when I met Daisy the Camel. I was live streaming in Cairo, and you guys told me to get on her, and I did. I live streamed for the back of a camel. Okay, in honor of Daisy, and in honor of our friend from Egypt that is currently in this stream, I'm going to show it. Here we go.
Should I take the camel, guys? Camel cam, guys. Eshissam here.
Your name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys.
Channel members, you know what to
wow,
do.
Look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
Channel members, you know what to do. That was Daisy the Camel. She was beautiful. That was such a fun. I took the Gawain from Silver. I won Silver Dragon's first giveaway he ever did was an American Silver Eagle, and I took it into the pyramid and put it in the sarcophagus. We're at 40,880 subscribers. Only 20 more, and we'll do the big show. Let's see if we can get there. Wow. All new high. All new high. 58.13. All new high. Wow, wow, wow. And that was one. I'm marking these as featured targets. Our immediate target is 5761. International Stacker, will you bring Mrs. IS and Gremlin to meet Daisy the Camel? Maybe one day, Zeph. Maybe one day. Wicked Sticky Flowers, and I was with Uncle Sal. How was Sal's stream? Was it good? Was Uncle Sal's stream good? Were things going wild over there? Thank you, Axel, for subscribing. 18 more subscribers, guys. And then I will update this and we'll do the big show. And then 100 more to go. And I'm going to give away a mega bag. I'm going to give away one of these mega bags. They're both pretty dang mega. Angie will get one of these pins too for Monument. Was it Monument? Yeah, Monument Metals. That has gold leaf in it. They sent me those to give away. I bought an order. I said, hey, I'm a YouTuber. Can you give me some swag to give away to the viewers? And they put those pins in there, which I think is pretty cool. Only 16 subscribers away from 40,900. I think we'll get there soon. We're at 1,242 likes. 8 likes more to 1,250. My all-time record. I think we can do it again. I would have plugged you if I knew. Sorry, Wicked. Thank you for coming, though. How many people were in his live stream? Was it popping? Twisted Tennessee saying, I so wish I would have started stacking years ago. Never had anyone talk to me about it. I have IS now. That's what I'm talking about, Twisted Tennessee. That's what I'm talking about. Makes me want to do the money dance. Yes. Let's check futures. Oh my gosh. 58.24. Wow. You guys were all going to be like this soon. Jeez. Thank you so much, Chase, for subscribing. Oh, Celivate Metals was popping. That's awesome to hear. I'm glad his stream was doing good. 8 more to 40,900, and then we're going to do the big show, guys. We're going to do the big show. 8 more subscribers. I think we can do it. Shaban, did you see the clip I dropped, Shaban? Did you see the clip of Egypt and meeting Daisy the Camel? Please tell me you did. Did you see it? Wow, 1,100 in Sal's show. That's awesome. Love Uncle Sal. That's great. Thank you so much. Let it be Tommy Boy. 6 more subscribers, and we're doing the big show. I started stacking myself 2 years ago. Awesome, Shane. I'm glad you did. I'm sure you're glad you did. Shaban, did you see the camel? Shaban, I need you to tell me if you saw Daisy. It was literally in Cairo. It was Fimisari. The big show is going to be... We did it, guys. 49,900. 3, 2, 1. Let's update it together. Here we go. Yes.
Welcome to the 4th annual Crystal Light National Aerobic Championship.
Channel members, you know what to do.
All across the United States, competing for the title of America's
Channel members, you know what to do.
athlete.
4-time Crystal Light champion.
1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal Light champion, International Stacker.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Silver Futures is 58, still over 58. Let's go. I just started stacking 3 months ago. Haven't looked back since, says Jose. Or no, Joe Speaks. Sorry, not Jose. Joe Speaks. You guys, now that you're a gold and silver stacker, when you walk those streets, it's almost like you're part of the elite. It's almost like you're Neo and you took the, was it the red pill or the green pill? I think it was the red pill, right? You walk around and you're just thinking differently, acting differently than everybody. And that's the awesome thing about being a silver and gold stacker. And ladies and gentlemen, we have 40,902, 98 in the next 90. Once we get 98 more subscribers, I'm going to give away one of these mega bags to you. They have silver in them. One has some gold in it. And you're going to get one of these. Who's going to win it? Please like the stream. Please share the stream. That will help us to get there. And the more you like it, the more you share it, the more people that subscribe, the more people that join our movement, the more people that wake up and prepare for gold and silver. Prepare themselves, literally can save themselves, their families, their communities. So I feel very strongly about that. Thank you so much, Andy Hong, for subscribing. I'm going to give away a mega bag. I might even give away something. I don't know. I might just go crazy in here. Salty New York is saying, everyone type in how many ounces of silver you have. He has 635. I believe I have somewhere around 5,200 ounces right now. 5,200 is where I'm at, I believe. And if we get a few more subscribers in here, someone is going to be walking away with more tonight. We're at 1,278 likes. That's only 22 likes away from 1,300. That's my most likes ever in a live stream. Thank you so much. Silver Futures is back under 58. It's okay. Don't panic. Do you notice what we're doing here? Stair step. You notice that? Gold's doing just fine. Gold silver ratio is about to 73 again. CME is still being scammy as ever. Oh yes, it's conspiracy. They're not manipulating the market. This day they traded 1.2 billion paper, or no, sorry, 1 billion paper ounces of silver. This day here was 937 million. No. That wasn't 9. That was this one. I don't know. It's hard to keep up. They're doing it illegally. Well, how do I know that? Because they paid a $920 million fine. JP Morgan Chase. Deutsche Bank paid $30 million. UBS paid 15. HSBC paid 1.6. Scotiabank paid 172.4, and the list goes on and on and on. So thank you so much, Tim, for subscribing. We're at 40,905 subscribers. 95 subscribers to go. Then I'm going to give away some silver and some gold, maybe. In DCA, about 4 coins. Oh, your dollar. Okay, so Darth Wanker saying I'm dollar cost averaging about 4 coins a month for my kids. And about 100 to 200 in crypto monthly for grandkids. 1 foot in the old, 1 foot in the new. Interesting. Stack it to the sky. Salty Carpenter's got 520-ish. Nice. Spirit-filled mindset, 9,400 ounces. Congrats. That's awesome. Lone Ranger's up 5,600 ounces. That is mega. Oh, man. Bitcoin's 87,000. Dragon saying RIP. Let's go silver. Roadkill's got 125 ounces. Roadkill with 125 ounces. You have more silver than 99% of the world's population. That is a congratulations. You are mega. And I have a feeling I'm about to give away some silver here. We're at 40,910 subscribers. 90 more subscribers, and I'm going to give away a mega bag. 611 people on. 1,291 likes. 8 more likes, and we'll be to 1,300. My most likes ever. Thank you so much during a live stream. Scrooge in, just subscribe. Thank you for becoming a subscriber. Silver's preparing to coil and go higher. Let's see what we can do here. Our all-time high is $50.61. Seabass is saying, don't stack physical, but I've been stacking mining stocks since the first term, Trump's first term. Good job, Seabass, but I'm going to challenge you, Seabass. Get yourself some physical. No one could take that from, well, I mean, a robber could. A robber could, some people can take it from you if you don't protect it, but get some physical. Nothing beats holding this stuff in your hand. Nothing beats it. Silver. Gold. Let's go. Who wants to win a mega bag? We're getting close. We're going to be giving away. I feel it in my bones. We're at 40,914 subs. 76. Is that 76? No. 80. What was it? 86 more subs. 86 more, and we're giving away. Who's ready for it? Great White saying buy some brass and lead with your gold and silver. Yep. Definitely want to stack some brass, that's for sure. The Lone Ranger loves silver so much, his horse was named after it. Good point. Good point, J-Roo. Lynette Zhang always says if you don't hold it, you don't own it. Yeah, and I've got a video with Lynette coming out tomorrow or the next day. Probably the next day. Thank you, Flatlander, for subscribing. We're sitting at 40,916. We're getting so close. Not only will you guys get the big show when we hit 41,000 subs, I'm going to give away some silver and maybe some gold to someone here in chat. I guess I should open my stream. I guess I should get the wheel ready. Guess I should do that. Uno momento. Is this the right one? Is this the right one? Did I just log in under the right account? Let's see here. Yes, it is. Okay, so I need to go to my bot. I need to go to my... Okay, so first I need to go to the bot. I'm getting it ready, guys. I'm getting it ready. Okay, spin the wheel. I need to get that up. Chat. Back to dashboard. We go to the bot. We go to giveaways. Okay, I got that. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a test here. I'm gonna do a test here. Let's see. So I'm gonna throw on the camera. We're gonna put the wheel up. I need to see if this is gonna work. Okay, it does work. Okay. I'm getting ready because I think we're going to hit the 41,000, guys. I think we're going to hit the 41,000. I'm going to be giving this away to one of you. We're at 40,926 subscribers. Wow, we just had a bunch of members join. Thank you so much. Thank you to J Wolf and M Wolf for becoming channel members. And Mr. Tuvok, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Check out your new channel member emojis or emojis. And we do have War Room chats. Probably not going to do one tonight because it's getting late. And I want to see this break 58 with everybody. And yeah. We're at 40,927 subscribers. So 73 more, and then I'm giving away silver and some gold to you guys probably. Okay, Danny Johnson saying, hello, Stacker. Read this comment urgently. Now I found out the official stats on how much silver We need to be characterized as follows. 50 is the top 20% in the world. 500 top 10. 5. Top 5 is 5,000. Interesting. Emoji. Great stream and show, IS, says MWolfPA, who just became a channel member. Thank you so much. Are you guys ready for this? Yeah, everyone, please subscribe. Jay Wolf saying, no relation to M Wolf. Crazy coincidence. That's funny. Guys, we're coiling back up. I need to go. We got a crab dance. Drop some crabs in chat. I gotta pee desperately, so I'll be right back. Give me 30 seconds. 35 if I'm washing my hands. Let's see if we can do it. I'm back. I washed my hands, I swear. I washed them. I'm back. Man, it's getting hot in this room. Woo! Let's see what we're at here. Let me put my headphones back on. Okay. Don't get pee on my silver. See, at the futures, we're sitting at 57.75. We're building a nice step back up here. Our all-time high right now is 57.61. Woo! I'm all amped up. Let's see how many subs we're at. We're at 40,932. Wow. 68 more subscribers. Is that 60? Yeah, 68 more. And I'm giving away some silver. Silver's going down in IS room. Don't panic. We're good. Don't stress. Oh, is my server's going down in the... Is my silver over... I might be overheating. I'm overheating just like the COMEX. I left the seat up, says Elder Joshua Hetrick. No, I've got the soft close. We're good. We're good. Let me sip of water here. 600 people on the live stream. I'm going to be giving away some gold and silver pretty soon here. If we hit 41,000 subscribers, we're at 4,933. I think we can get there. 67 more likes. Look at this. We're building back up. Get excited. We're at 1,328 likes. 21 more and we're at 1,350. My most likes ever on a live stream. Thank you so much. I bet he peed in the shower, says Darth Winker. That's funny. What countries are open and trading now? Asian's going to be opening pretty soon. We're on the Globex right now, I believe. Look at, we're pushing 57.30. Here we go. Buckle up. Buckle up. Here we go. We're at 40,936 subscribers. We're getting so close to the free giveaway. I'm going to be giving away some silver once I hit 41,000 subscribers, and we're going to refresh this and do the big show. The big show! We're going to do it soon. How can you help? Smash the like, share the stream. We got 600 people on right now watching. I have 1,337 likes, and in the hacker world, that spells LEET for elite. LEET 1337. That's awesome. Let's see. 12 more to 1,350. Silver's pushing higher, 57.37. Thank you so much for Paul Sack, Dairy Yum, and everyone else who's subscribing. Egypt will be open in 7 hours and 33 minutes, says Shaban. Thank you for that update. We're at 40,936 subscribers. We're getting so close. I'm saving an old $100 bill for when silver hits 100. I will wipe my butt with it. That's funny, Motor. That's funny. Welcome everyone to the stream. It is going absolutely crazy. We're 5 likes away from 1,350. I think we can do it. Silver futures is going back up. 57.87. Here we go. Monster candle. Here we go. Buckle up. Buckle up. We're going to push higher. Our next target is 57.78 for silver. Oh, and gold is going parabolic. Look at this. Our highest on gold is 42.38. We're still well away from the all-time high, but wow, gold is pushing higher on a mega candle. So is silver. Let's see what we can do here. Thanks for the update, says Andy. Well, thank you for watching and subscribing. Guys, I'm at 40,938 subscribers. 62 more subscribers. I'm giving away some silver and or gold, or maybe both to you guys. Buckle up, buttercups, says Red Rogers. Thank you so much, Bender, for subscribing. Thank you so much. Here we go. Let's see what we can do here. What's platinum at? I don't know. I'm glued to this. I can't look. Back to 73 on the gold to silver ratio. Futures is 57.78. That's our next target, 57.78. Wow, we are raging. You guys, there's going to be a massive short squeeze in the morning. I'm going to be streaming at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The market's regular trading hours are 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. So I'll be streaming market open. I'm wondering if silver is going to be over 60 when I wake up. Put a 1 in chat if you think silver is going to be over 60 when you wake up in the morning. This ain't the basement. There ain't no rainbow fart dust around here. It says 3D Woodworks. What's up, 3D Woodworks? Wow, here we go. All new high again. All new high again. Oh, wait. False alarm. False alarm. False alarm. False alarm. We're looking at gold. I thought that was silver. We're looking at gold. False alarm. I retract that alert. I retract that. Oh, man. My computer is getting hot. Thank you, Kelly, Stephen Kelly, for subscribing. We're at 40,949, 51 more subscribers. And we're going to do the big show update. And I'm going to give away some silver to you guys. Maybe some gold. I'm just going to blow it all out. Here we go. We're going up. So we've been as high as 40,240 on gold on this stream since open. Thank you so much for subscribing, JC. Guys, we're at 40,952 subscribers. 48 more subscribers. I'm going to be giving away some silver and probably some gold to you guys. We're at 1,355 likes. Only 45 more likes to go for 1,400 likes. My most likes ever on a live stream. Thank you so much. We got about 650 people on right now. Thank you guys for all the new members. We've had 10 new members. Thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you to everybody for supporting the channel. If you become a member, you get a bunch of cool stuff. You get to go to the war room. Helps me do what I do. I've given away recently 70 ounces of silver, give or take, and a bunch of gold. 1,001.5 gold backs, courtesy of Gold Back. Thank you so much. Thank you, Joey, for subscribing. My palms are getting sweaty. It says Salty, New York. That's funny. Guys, we're at 40,959 subscribers. 41 more to go before I do the giveaway. Make sure you're subscribed. You got to be subscribed to do the giveaway. And we're only 26 likes away from a new all-time record of 1,400 likes. Keep pushing. Here we go. Let's see what futures is at. 57.88 futures. There we go. Here we go. We're going to push here. We're going to make another push at it. Buckle up. Wow, Dangle Predictions with a $3 super chat fist bump. Thank you so much, Dangle. That's your 5th super chat on this live stream. Thank you so much. Everyone say thank you to Dangle Productions. Come on. Let's see what we can do here. Wow, 40,971 subscribers, 29 more. And then we're going to do the big show, and then I'm going to give away some silver and gold to you guys. I'm going to do, forget it, I'm going to do both mega bags. If we can do this, I'm going to do both mega bags tonight. Who wants to win it? We got about 700 people on. Thank you so much, Philip, for subscribing. Walter, thank you so much. Make sure you turn on the notifications, guys. I go live all the time. I do all kinds of fun stuff all the time. Wow, now I have to piss laughed out loud, says Tim. Tim Heller, that's funny. Thank you for the $1.99 super chat, lesser chat. Thank you so much. It's time for a crab dance. Drop some crabs into that chat. You know what to do in the crab dance. Oh, guys, we're about to have a party here. 40,979 subscribers. 21 more, and we're going to do the big show, and I'm going to give away both mega bags. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much, Daniel, for subbing. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you for 23, Angel. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Justin just subscribed. We're at 40,982. 18 more. And we're going to have a massive celebration. Thank you, Daniel, for subscribing. Thank you, American Prospector, for subscribing. 12 more. 12 more, and then we're doing the big giveaway. Chris Street is saying silver breaking 60 by 9 a.m. Put a 1 in chat if you think it will break 60 by 9 a.m. That would be so mega. Thank you, SNHV, for subscribing. 12 more. 12 more, and then we do the giveaway. And we're at 1,400 likes even. How mega is that? Nine more subscribers to go. We're at 40,991. Let's see what we could do here. And we're getting back towards 58 on the futures. That's mega. Great channel. Big love from the down under. Red Dodgers in the house. Hey, I'm planning a trip to Australia, I think. Guys, you guys want to go to Australia, visit the Perth Mint, do some other stuff? Wow, 40,994 subscribers. 6 more, and we're doing the giveaway. 6 more. Smash the like button, share the stream, get ready. We're about to do some free gold and silver. Whoa. I did not. What have I done? Wait, what? What just happened? I refreshed it and... Hold up. There we go. I lost the chart for a second. It's gonna be that medic, but don't do that. 40,998 subscribers. 2 more to go. 2 more to go, then we're gonna do the giveaway. Thank you to Laura for subscribing, Nomad and Michael. We're getting so close. I'll tell you, Bjorn, don't worry. 40,999 subscribers. 1 more to go. 1 more to go to 41. Let's see if we can do it. Hopefully I don't have a cooling issue like the COMEX when it's time to do the giveaway. Just kidding. I was kidding. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. Here's the big show. 3, 2, 1. We did it! The big show! 41,000 subscribers! Thank you so much!
To the 4th annual Crystal Light National
Channel members, you know what to do!
Regional finalists from all across
Channel
the
members, you
United
know what to
States competing
do!
for the title
I'm about to
of
give away some
America's
silver
best
and gold!
aerobic athlete, presenting the reigning
4-time
1987
Crystal Light champion!
National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal Light champion, International Stacker.
Thank you so much. Okay. I'm going to start a giveaway. 1 second, everyone. Do exclamation point enter to enter the giveaway. You have 2 minutes. Do exclamation enter. Or no, exclamation mega. Exclamation mega. I'm sorry. Like that to enter. Exclamation mega. Thank you so much for becoming a channel member, Barbara Park. Thank you so much. You got to be subscribed and you have to hit the like button to spin. Do exclamation mega to enter. Do exclamation mega to enter. You got a minute left. Thank you so much for becoming a channel member, iMeads. Thank you. Exclamation point mega to enter. You only got to do it once. Oh, let's see here. Is this thing going? Yeah, it's going. I think you got like one more minute. Yep, Yep. Keep subscribing for sure. Thank you, everyone. Exclamation mega. Keep entering. Why is it not showing here? Keep doing. Exclamation mega. I'm going to have to put on slow mode. You're going to be able to do one chat every 10 seconds. Save. Alright, let's slow it down a little bit. Exclamation. Like an exclamation mega, not the word. Exclamation point mega, like everyone else is doing. Yep. Okay, let's see here. Okay, it looks... It's been a little contest. Yep, good. Why is it not showing up here? It should be showing up on this other... Give me 1 second here. I'm going to be doing a big giveaway. Oh, there we go. 30 seconds left to enter. 300 people are entered. Do exclamation point mega. There we go. 235 people... No, 237 people are entered. Exclamation point mega. Thank you so much for the $1 super chat, Dangle. $244 people are entered. Okay. You can stop doing it. Stop doing the exclamation point mega. It is closed. It is closed. We had about 300 people enter, and I'm going to pick a winner. Stop doing the exclamation point mega. It's done. I'll tell you when to do it again, but it's done. Quit doing that. Quit. I'm going to pick the winner. Now, here's how it's going to work. The person I pick is going to get 2 spins. 2 spins on this wheel. Let me bring it up so I can see. Anything green is going to win you the bag. Poop is going to lose it. Okay, you're going to get 2 spins. Okay, so here we go. Don't do exclamation mega anymore. It's closed. The first person that gets 2 spins is going to be Seto Kyoba. Seto Kyoba. You're going to get 2 spins. So here we go for Seto Kyoba. Your spin number 1. If you get poop, you're pooped. Anything else you won? Let's see. Spin number 1. Poop. Spin number 2. Poop. But you know what? Seto Kyoba. Email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. I'm going to send you this pin with the gold leaf on it, and I'm going to give you one of the crab bags, okay? I'm going to send that to you. So email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. Let me know that you won this pin and one of the crab bags. Not the full one with silver. I'm going to give you an empty bag, but it's, you know, people like them. So now let's pick another person to spin. The next person that's going to get a chance here is Drew Hewitt. Drew Hewitt. Here's your spin number 1. And he got the mega bag! Drew Hewitt! Drew Hewitt gets the mega bag. Well, let's see What's in that for Mega for Drew Hewitt? Drew Hewitt, you got to email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. Tell me you won. And you won. Here's what Drew Hewitt won. Drew Hewitt is literally becoming a billionaire. 5 billion Zimbabwe dollars. So I just made another billionaire. You're going to get a Steel City Stacker sticker. He's in the chat. He donated some copper to the Mega Goth. Thank you again for doing that, Steel City. Check him out, guys. He's a creator. He has a super cool channel. You're going to get a slow stacker patch because sometimes if you can't stack fast, you just got to stack slow. You're going to get this Winston Churchill coin. This is non-silver. It's cloud, but I thought it was cool, so I just kind of threw it in there as a bonus. You're going to get this 925 sterling silver round. Pretty cool. You are going to get this sealed set. I'm going to do another drawing here shortly, guys. You're going to get this Canadian sealed 1965 set. Oh, he got the good one, guy. I mean, they're all good, but he got the ETs. You're going to get 40 cents, 90% silver. So let me put this stuff back over here. 1 second. You're going to get all that. But wait. There's more. You're literally going to get another 2 ounces of 999 fine silver of the ET collection. Wow. You're going to get these 4 half-ounce ET phone home 999 silver. And you're going to get a pin for Monument Metals that they sent me to give away full of, I believe that's gold leaf. That's epic. Who wants to do another? Email me, Drew. Email me and tell me what you won. You won Mega Bag number 5, Drew. You won Mega Bag number 5. Make sure you email me. internationalstacker@gmail.com. And we're going to complete that giveaway. And I'm going to open it up. We're going to do one more giveaway. One more giveaway here. Let's go back to the chart here. As silver's pushing higher, new all-time high. Do exclamation Mega to enter this giveaway. Exclamation Mega to enter this giveaway. And do it exactly how it says. I don't think it's case sensitive, but do exclamation capital N, the rest lowercase Mega. Wow, more all-time highs. 5771 all-time high. Do exclamation mark or point or whatever you call it, Mega. We've got 121 people entered so far. Yep, do it exactly like I wrote it. Exclamation Mega. 160 people entered. You got 2 minutes and 10 seconds left. 188 people entered. Keep entering. If you already entered once, you should be good. Exclamation Mega. 207 people entered. Let's see what Silver Futures is. Wow, 58.19. We're going, guys. We're going. Exclamation Mega. Keep doing it. 214 people entered. 226 people entered. Keep entering. If you have not entered yet, do exclamation mark Mega. You have to be subscribed and smash that like to be able to win. YouTube is not a sponsor. No purchase necessary. Void where prohibited. And you know what? The person that got the consolation prize earlier, I'm also going to make you a billionaire. I'm going to give you 5 billion Zimbabwe dollars as well. Let me find it here. So the first person that got the consolation prize, I'm going to include that in your consolation prize. 5 billion. So you're now a billionaire. That's pretty dang cool if you ask me. 56 seconds until the contest closes. We got 260 people entered. Exclamation mark Mega. If you've already done it, you should be good. 40 seconds left to enter. We got 743 people in chat. Do exclamation point Mega to enter. I'm going to be drawing the next winner here. $262 people entered. $60 seconds left to enter. 271 people entered. 275 people entered. Okay, we've got about 300, give or take, people entered. It is now closed. You can stop doing exclamation point mega. You can stop doing it. We're going back to the camera. This is for the second mega bag. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you've liked. Thank you, Substation, for subscribing. You can stop doing the exclamation mega. And we're going to do a spin. And remember, this is not the winner. This is picking the person that gets 2 spins. If you get anything else, if you get poop, you lose. If you get anything else, you win the mega bag. So we're picking the first person to spin. I focus 1776. I focus 1776. You're going to get 2 spins. Here's spin number 1 for I focus. Here we go. Poop. Spin number 2 for I focus. Here we go. Poop. But I focus. Don't panic. I'm going to give you this pin from Monument Metals with the gold leaf in it. I'm going to give you as well 5 billion Zimbabwe dollars, so you are now a literal billionaire. And I'm going to give you an empty bag, not the mega bag. We still have to give that to someone. I'm going to give you an empty crab bag. So email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. I focus. Email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. Tell me what you want, and no one try to cheat. I've got a way to pick through people. I've got a way to pick through, so don't try to cheat. I'll know who's who. Okay, we're picking the next person to spin. 525 Medic. 525 Medic. I think that's Medic. I think that's you, Medic. 525 Medic. Here's spin number 1 for Medic. Here we go. Poop. Spin number 2 for Medic. And Medic does it! He wins it! He wins it! Let's see what is in that mega bag that Medic just literally won. Medic, you won that. Medic, you get 2 1/2 gold backs. And thank you so much for being a channel member, Medic. Appreciate it. You get 2 gold backs. You get 5 billion. That went to a channel member. Thank you so much for being a channel member. You get a slow stacker patch, because if you can't stack fast sometimes you just got to stack slow. You get 40 cents of 90% silver. You get... Hold up. You get... Yeah. This 925 silver round... About an ounce. You get this colorized American Silver Eagle. Went to a different Medic. Let's see, that Eagle. Different Medic. Okay, and you get this gold. Which Medic did that go to? I thought that went to Medic. Okay, 525 Medic. Email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com. Tell me you won mega bag number 9. And Medic 1541, send me an email to internationalstacker@gmail.com for the false alarm. I'm going to take care of you as well. So I'm going to send you something. So Medic 1541, since I faked you out, send me an email, internationalstacker@gmail.com. Thank you for being a channel member. And I am going to put something together. Not as mega as that. Not as mega. I'm going to send you something, though, because I appreciate you for being a channel member. And I just faked you out. And congratulations to the other Medic. Make sure you email me and tell me you just won. Internationalstacker@gmail.com. Okay, hold up here. And you know what I want to do? I'm going to do this. I'm going to do a special side giveaway just for channel members. Now remember, with my giveaways, there's no purchase necessary. You do not have to be a channel member to enter my giveaways or anything, but sometimes I like to do little side quests. So for all channel members, do exclamation mega. I'm going to do a side giveaway for y'all. Let's see. I do appreciate you guys. All channel members do exclamation mega to enter the side giveaway. Gotta be a channel member. All channel members. Let's go back to the charts. Wow. New all-time high in silver while we're giving away silver. 57.78.4. Gold's pushing higher too. Wow, what a wild time to be alive right now. Oh no, I lost the silver futures. Wow, 58.22 silver futures. All channel members do exclamation mega. I'm doing a little side quest for the channel members. Yeah, if you're not a channel member, don't put exclamation mega. It won't work for you. I've got 24 channel members entered. Fecko Frank, a channel member is someone who's signed up to pay and be a channel member. You get emojis and stuff. So I'm doing a special side giveaway just for channel members. All my giveaways, everything, there's no purchase necessary, void or prohibited. YouTube's not a sponsor. I just gave away 2 epic mega bags to non-channel members. So I'm doing something a little special to show my channel members that I care about you, because you guys help me so much do what I do around the world with gold and silver. I recently gave away over 70 ounces of silver. Oh, wow, guys, the new all-time high. Here we go. We're raging higher. Wow. We're headed towards 58. 57.80. Wow. Channel members, you have 37 seconds left to enter. Do exclamation mega if you're a channel member. If your name's green. Wow, 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 wow. 20 seconds left for channel members to enter. Exclamation mega. Wow, silver all new high. 57.80. 10 seconds. Okay, here we go. We're going to the camera. Channel members. I just gave away 2 major gifts to non-channel members, so I'm doing something special for channel members. Picking a winner to spin. Wicked Sticky Flowers. Here we go. Anything, you want anything but poop. You get 2 spins. Spin number 1. Poop, I'm so sorry. Spin number 2. And he does it, ladies and gentlemen! So big thank you, Wicked Sticky Flowers. Email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. You're taking home this 999 silver Buffalo round. I literally just got in the mail from Monument Metals and I dropped it. So you're taking this home, Wicked Sticky, and you're getting one of the crab bags. And you're getting 5 billion. So email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com to claim that. Ladies and gentlemen, let's just enjoy this silver move here. Wow. What a wild time to be alive. Futures is 58.35. Congratulations, Wicked. And Medic, other channel member Medic, make sure you email me. I'll take care of you. Will the CME pull the plug again? They just might, James Moore. They just might. I just gave away like 12 ounces of silver. And some gold. Oh, sorry. Oh, I am on main. I am. I'm on the right thing. Man. Let's close that. Let's close that. All right, guys. I'm going to be right back. Rat Stacker's going to sleep, so I'm going to go say goodnight with his Mrs. IS to her and the rats. I'll be right back. Let's see what we can do here with silver. It is raging higher. Our next targets, I think by the time I get back, we're going to take out these 2 targets. Let's see. I'll be right back. Thank you so much, Medic, guys. Guys, thank you so much. We broke 41,000 subscribers on this stream. It's been so mega. I'll be right back. Keep chatting. Keep winning stuff. Enjoy. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm back. I am back. Wow. 57.83, new all-time high for silver. I'm going to go to sleep soon as well, but I think we're going to break 58, so I'm going to wait here for a little bit. See if we can break 58 together. Wow. Silver futures 58.33, new all-time high. Wow. Smash that like button. We are at 41,061 subscribers. Jeez Louise, 49 left to 41,100. This is insane. Silver is still cheap at this price, says James Moore, and I agree with you. Not a financial advisor, but I definitely agree with you. Come on, break 58 so I can go to sleep. Come on, silver, break 58. I'm going to close some of these windows down. I'm getting lag. I'm closing some of these windows down. Gold to silver ratio plummeting. Wow, look at gold. Tomorrow's going to be explosive, guys. Make sure you're on with me in the morning. I'm going to be live streaming in the morning. So silver new all-time high is $57.87. I'm a bad financial advisor, says Great White Cat. Come on, guys. Let's go silver. We got about 700 people on. Let's see if we can do this live. Come on, silver. Our next target is literally 57.88. 1 cent. Silver 100 by 2020. Okay, so beginning of the year, my target for silver was 50. My target for gold was 4,000. People laughed at me. They called me names. They got their pleasure from my pain. That's a country song I'm quoting. And it seems I wasn't bullish enough, guys. I was not bullish enough. Thank you, Eramus, for subscribing. So my new targets by the end of the year, and I'm not a financial advisor, is $75 silver, $5,000 gold. And if we can do that, I believe in the first quarter of 2026, we will break triple digit. $100 silver. Go watch this video. I talk about the shocking $100 silver if this happens, not 1980. I'll talk about how this is different than 1980, 2011, and why I believe it'll break 100. I give you guys the receipts in there. And then go watch this video from a day ago. Silver shortage 2025, physical gone forever, premiums to explode. This concerns all you guys. This has to do with the big bank vaults. If you want to know what's going to happen with the price action, the volatility, what's going to mean for you, go watch this video. And if you want to have fun, check out this video here where I show 3 million in shipwreck silver. Pretty cool video. Come on, silver, break 58 already. 58.39 on futures. Wow. You guys, thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you so much for the super stickers. Thank you so much for the new channel members. Thank you, everybody. We're at 1,534 likes, my most likes ever in a live stream. 16 more would put us to 1,550. I'd really appreciate that. We're at 700 people watching, and we're at 41,065 subscribers. Congratulations to all the winners tonight. Congratulations. I gave away something like 10 or 11 ounces of silver tonight, and some gold. Congratulations. AG Astronaut saying to smash that like button. Thank you, AG. Silver futures, 58.39. Come on. 58 is right here, guys. We're literally 13 cents away. Oh, wait, no, 57.73. We're literally 25 cents away. What the hell happened to the crypto market? Let's see. Let me go look. Yeah, crypto is having a bad day. Wow. 41,072 subscribers. Thank you so much. Only 28 away from 41,100. We'll do a big show if I get it. And Silver Hades has it right. Even if you didn't win, we're literally all winners tonight. If you stack physical silver and gold, we are literally all winners tonight. IS, I want to see Mrs. IS's coffee again. I saw you got the coffee mug with... Yeah. Do you guys want me to make the coffee mugs too? Mrs. IS Coffee, limited release. There's Rat Stacker with the silver. Coming soon. Thank you so much, Christopher, for subscribing. We're going to go here for about another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to crash. I will be streaming morning at 0800, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Remember, regular trading hours for the COMEX is 8:30 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'll be doing the market open tomorrow and probably the market close. We're going to wait here for another 5-minute candle. I believe this red candle at the end of the 5 minutes is going to be green. Put a 1 in chat if you agree with me. If your team green candle, put a 1 in chat. If your team red candle, put a 2 in chat. Let's see who gets it. Thank you, Johnny, for subscribing. Guys, please smash the like button. I'm at 1,558 likes. 42 more, and I'm at 1,600. All new course record for me. And I'm at 41,075 subscribers. So 5 more subscribers, and we'll update this. We'll see it update live to 41,100. And I'll do the big show. You guys will get to see the big show. We're pumping, guys. We're pumping. Are we gonna wake up to $60 silver? Put a 1 in chat if you think so. See what you guys think. Gold is pumping as well. Whoa. You guys, we're about to break 58. 58, 53 on the futures. All new high. That's an all new high. Wow. 58, 53, all new high. Wow. Wow. I'm gambling all my claws. Let's see what happens. Thank you, Joseph and Vincent, for subscribing. Welcome. We got most people saying 1. We're at 41,081 subscribers. Thank you so much. 20 more subscribers will do the big show. And we're at 1,573 likes. 27 more likes will be at 1,600, my all-time high for likes on a live stream. That is insane. Wow. What a wild time to be alive, guys. Anyone shorting silver is drowning right now. Great white cat. You guys, we're going to see a crazy short squeeze, I believe, in the morning. People are going to be covering shorts like crazy. You're sounding tired, my friend. I am Midic 1541. It's like when you're on a 24-hour shift, you just get to sleep at 3 a.m. You get a call, you show up to the house, and they're standing out front with their bag packed. If anyone's ever worked at EMS, Emergency Medical Services, I started out my career working in an ambulance. You'll know what I'm talking about. Thank you, Bjorn. We got a minute 30 left to see if we finish on a green. Team 1. Team 1, cheer on this green candle. I'm part of Team 1. I think it's going to end green in the next minute 30, and then we're going to skyrocket to 58. Let's see what we could do. Thank you so much to Mark for subscribing. Guys, I'm at 41,089 subscribers. This is insane. 11 more subs, and we'll be at 41,100, and we'll do the big show. Uncharted territory for sure, Great White. Great stream tonight, IS. Thank you, J Wolf. Thank you for tuning in. We've had thousands upon thousands of people tune in. If you have been here this entire live stream, put me in chat. If you've been here this entire live stream, put me in chat. I want to see how many people have been here the entire time. I know a handful of y'all have been here. 40 seconds. Come on, finish green. Team 1. Come on, Team 1. Yeah, we've had a lot of people here the whole stream. Thank you so much, guys. Great Scott. Daniel's been here. Wow. Thank you so much for being here the entire stream. You guys are mega for sure. Sight beyond sight saying, seriously, tempted to pop some pills and start my own live stream for the night. I got to go to work in the morning. We've had a lot of people here the whole time. Oh, did I lose? Did I lose my claws? I keep putting points. I keep forgetting to look. Okay, Team Green Candle, we lost. But look at the trend. Look at the trend. Since we opened today. I mean, reds build up. Red build up. Spring higher. Move side. Red spring higher. Red spring higher. Red. So we're on our third red candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we can do here, guys. I'll stay on another candle. Stay on another candle. 4 more minutes. I'll stay on. Richard Metcalf missed the first minutes. It's okay. I have 23 claws. Okay. You guys, I am exhausted. I've got to head to the airport at 3:30 a.m. I'll check the market then. Maybe 60 by then, says James Moore. I hope so, James. Just found your channel a few days ago. Great show. Thank you, DL. Glad you found me. Thank you for subscribing. You guys, we're at 41,092 subs. 8 more subs and we'll do the big show. And I'm at 1,600 likes for the stream. 700 people on. Thank you so much. 8 more subs and I'm doing the big show. What are the features at? Medic 1541 saying, I'm a Gen Xer. I have the song lyrics by Damn Yankees going through my head. Can you take me high enough? That's funny. Thank you, Matt Alexander, for coming. Guys, 1 more sub and we're doing the big show. We're at 41,099. And just for the day today, we are up nearly 2% on silver and over 0.5% for gold. 1 more subscriber to the big show. We're at 41,000, or 2 more, 41,098. Let's see if we can get there. Smash that like button if you're just joining us. Silver is on a massive run. Gold's doing well too. We've been up to 42.56. Nowhere near the all-time high of like 44 something, but hey, we're doing well. Let's see what the silver to gold ratio is. 73s. You're killing it on subs tonight. Crustacean Nation is growing. Big time still, City. Okay, guys, we did it. Here comes the big show. We're going to refresh it together. Thank you for all the subscriptions, Mexicon Doll, Ed, Donald. Thank you so much. Here comes the big show. 41,000 to 41,100. Here we go. Channel members, you know what to do.
To the 4th annual Crystal Light
Four-time
National
Crystal
Aerobic
Light champion.
Championship featuring regional finalists from all
I found
across
you
the
last
United
week also.
States,
Great show.
competing for
Safe
the
travels,
title of
guys. Thank you,
America's
Salty.
best aerobic athlete, presenting the reigning 1987
The big
Crystal
show.
Light National Aerobic Champions.
Introducing the 4-time Crystal Light champion, International Stacker.
Thank you so much, guys. 41,100 subs. We've done nearly 1,000 subs on just this stream. Is that not mega? Thank you, Unfootball, for subscribing. Thank you, Matt, for subscribing. We've done nearly 1,000 subscribers, I think, on this stream. I think I started the day at 40,200 or something. We're currently at 41,113. Wow. We've got just 33 likes left to 1,650. I'm running on fumes, but I think we're about to spring higher. I want to break 58 with y'all. Let's see if we could do it here shortly, as we're starting to pick up steam here. Futures, picking up steam. Put a 1 in chat if you think we're about to rush and break $58 an ounce for the first time. Let's get rid of this. 57.87 is the high for silver. All-time high we've just recently set. I just got here. I was telling Bitcoiners why Bitcoin dropped 20% on the night on stock twits. Thank you for coming in, Petty. $700 people on, 1,633 likes. Thank you so much, guys. Like that stream. Thank you to all the new channel members. Thank you everybody that super chatted tonight, who became channel members. You guys helped the channel immensely. You helped me do giveaways. I gave away somewhere close to 10 or 11 or 12 ounces of silver tonight and some gold. Congratulations to those winners. But if you're sitting on physical gold or silver tonight, you are all winners. Okay. I'm going to do this last 5-minute candle, then I've got to go to sleep. See what we could do here. 700 people on. 11 more likes to 1,650 likes. You guys, we're in uncharted territory with silver and my channel. This is the most likes I've ever gotten on a live stream. 1,643. 7 more to 1,650. Thank you for all the subscriptions. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you, Canadian River. Thank you for all the subs, guys. Appreciate y'all. I've been going for 3 hours and 35 minutes since the market reopened at 6. We got Dipstick waving high from Louisiana. Good to see you, Dipstick. AG, which is the periodic table symbol for silver. AG silver to the moon, says Mr. C. Brub. Call the wax factory because we got big candles coming. That's funny. Thank you, Cody Pie, for subscribing. Wow, guys, we're at 1,663 likes. Oh my gosh. 36 more, we're at 1,700 likes. That's crazy. 700 people on the stream. We've been going for 3.5 hours. Come on. I really want to break 58 before I go to sleep. I'm committed to this last 3 minutes of this 5-minute candle. Let's see what happens. If it starts running, I'll stay a little longer. If not, I gotta crash. I'm going to be up at 8 in the morning, live streaming again. 0800, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be streaming the market open, which is at the regular trading hours is 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day. The COMEX and Globex trades 24 hours a day. They take about a 45-minute break from 5 to 6. At night, the Asian market takes over. LBMA, London. Come on, green candle. 2 minutes, 15 seconds left on this candle. Let's see what we can do here. Put a 1 if you think it's going to end green. Put a 2 if you think it's going to end red. I think this candle is going to end red, guys. It's not looking good. Do I think the price is going to crash? No. I just think we're going to move sideways a bit more before we get to 58. Probably right when I stop the live stream, we'll hit 58. And we're just 25 likes away from 1,700 likes. Can we do it, guys? An all-new course record. Can we get 25 more likes and get to 1,700? Let's see. Smash a like. Subscribe. Come on, green candle. He has to sleep. COMEX is shut down. The COMEX shut down again. I bet my buddy an ounce we'd hit 70 by the end of December. It was his idea. I bet figures he will make so much that he had to owe me for the years of pressing him to buy. That's funny. We got 1 minute, 15 seconds left. I'm still team 2. I think this is going to end on a red candle, but it gives us a brand new to go green. LBMA pulled those shenanigans at 3 or 4 in the morning, remember? Oh, I'm trying to remember, Medic. I think I know what you're talking about. Whew. Silver futures, 58.37. Okay, 50 seconds. This is going to be a red candle. You guys, it's been a wild stream. We've been going for 3 hours and 38 minutes. We've amassed 1,688 likes. Can we hit 89? Can we hit 11 more likes by the time I end the stream? Can we get an even 1,700 likes. That'd be super mega. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I got to go to sleep. I'm going to be back up at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Congratulations to all the people that won silver and gold on this stream. Really appreciate y'all. We're 10 likes from 1,700. And I am now sitting at 41,128 subscribers. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope to see you all in the morning. Subscribe. Turn on the notifications for the love of God. You don't want to miss the stuff that's coming. See you at 8 a.m. And I guess I'll say, catch you on the next one. Night, everybody.
To find International Stacker.
Each year, the Stacker Crab makes a pilgrimage to the International Stacker YouTube channel. Here we have a typical Stacker Crab. While typical crabs will eat shells and food of such, these crabs only feast on silver.